Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a fresh unit, which is cash flow statement. Unit number 2 of the financial statements. In first unit, we have completed balance sheet and P&L pro forma. Apart from that, we understood what is the applicability of dividend rules. Okay, so dividend rules you understood. And in today's session, we are going to start with cash flow statement, which is very important one in real life also, and in from exam point of view also, and very important, you have to understand the difference between accrual concept of accounting and cash concept of accounting. So accrual means profit and loss and balance sheet we prepare on the basis of accrual concept according to accounting standard 1. But here for cash flow statement, we are preparing these financial statements not based on the accrual concept, but we are going to understand what is the cash concept and how to convert from accrual to cash by taking the help of the financial statement. So we need financial statement for this, and cash flow statement we prepare with the help of the financial statement, that is balance sheet and profit and loss account. Many of you have maybe completed it in the your graduation, that how to prepare the cash flow statement, but view of understanding in graduation and in intermediate it is totally different. So let's start with the concepts. Before starting today's session, first we will quickly revise our basic rules of accounts. After a long break, so last session was on Wednesday, and now almost after 4 days we are starting with this fresh unit. How many of you already completed this cash flow statement by watching some recorded lecture? Yes. How many of you have watched recorded lecture? Raise your hand. Very good, beta. Kumudvalli, Tanmay, very good. Aditi, Anya. Oh, many of you. Okay. So before starting today's session, first we'll quickly revise basic fundamental rules of accounting. First one is the personal account, traditional approach, personal account. Due relationship, debit the debtor, credit the creditor is the settlement relationship, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver and creditor becomes receiver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Modern approach, asset debit balance, liability credit, expense debit, income credit, capital account, credit balance. Now we are going to start with some basic entries. I'm going to ask these entries. Those are direct entry students. Please raise your hand who wants to answer it. Aditi, you are not direct entry student. I think you are foundation student. Okay. And new students, always welcome. Purav Sharma. Prior students,
Good morning,
it's a
sir.
request to all of you. Just try it. Okay. Yes. So let's start, beta. First
Sir.
entry, capital introduce.
Cash account debit to capital account.
Loan taken.
Loan taking cash account debit to loan account.
Loan is which type of account? Asset, liability, expense, income, capital.
Loan is a personal account.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. Personal account. I want model
Liability,
plus.
liability.
Liability shows which balance, beta, puro.
Credit balance.
Very good, beta. Credit sales.
Credit sales. Purchase account debit to cash. Creditors account.
Huh?
Purchase account debit to creditors account.
I am asking you sales. You are telling me purchase.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sales debtors account debit to cash. Sales debtor sales account.
Debtors to sales. Correct.
Yes.
Debtors, because sales is our income, so credit and debtors will be open amount receivable. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So you have to think like this. Sales is our income, so you won't get the wrong answer. Okay,
Yes,
Purav.
yes,
This will build your confidence. So you have
yes,
to
sir.
first tell me whether it is income, expense, liability, or asset. Then you can bifurcate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know. Now we are going to apply modern approach, not traditional approach. Traditional approach is for understanding the concept. Once you understood the concept, then apply modern approach. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Credit sales over. Then tell me expense payable.
expense payable. Expense is a expense that has
First, identify expense
debitors.
payable is asset, liability, income, expense,
Expense payable is liability.
liability, shows
Expense
credit
account,
balance. So first
yes.
complete that.
Expense account debit to expense payable account.
Now you are correct. Income received in advance.
Income received in advance is an liability.
Hmm.
So income account debit to income received in advance account.
Income receivable.
Income receivable is an asset. So income receivable debit to income account.
Very good. Then bad debts.
Bad debt is a loss. So bad debt account debit to debtors account.
Depreciation.
Depreciation is also a loss. Depreciation account debit to asset account.
Very good, beta. Very good. Um, then credit purchases.
Credit purchase purchases is an expense to purchase
Hmm.
account debit to creditors account.
You are direct entry student or foundation student?
Direct entry sir.
How you develop your basics?
सर पहले भी +1 +2 में भी सिर्फ 3 ही रूल्स की वजह से पास हुआ था, तो अभी भी उसी में ही ज्यादा ध्यान दिया और बस उससे ही हो गया फिर ज्यादा.
Very good. You
यस
answered
सर.
very well. But now how to think you understood, no?
यस सर. यस सर.
Yes. Very good. Arthur,
Yes, sir.
you are
Hello.
from Nepal.
No, sir. I am from Assam.
Acha, ERO. I thought FRO. Sorry. Okay. Can you tell me the entry for expense payable?
Expense payable. Expense payable is a liability, so it is expense account debit to expense payable account.
Very good. Prepaid expense?
Prepaid expense is an asset, so it is prepaid expense account debit to expense account.
Very good. Discount received?
Discount received. So discount received is an like gain. So it will
Hmm.
be discount received. So
Credited? Huh?
uh, yes, discount received
And
is credited. So prepaid account debit to discount received account.
which account debit?
Uh, Creditors account yeah, debit. Sir.
Creditors.
Yes, creditors. Creditors account
Creditors
debit to.
account debit to discount received. Yes, you are correct. Creditors will give us discount and we allow discount to debtors. So discount allowed hoga to discount allowed account debit to debtors. It's our loss and discount received is our gain. Creditors forgo their money. Okay.
Yes,
Yes. Very good, beta. And you're answering for the first time.
yes, sir. I am answering for the first.
Why? You've never
Sir,
answered in the class.
no, sir.
Okay, no problem. Chalo. Now, students, we are going to start with the cash flow statement today. Very, very important chapter. So let's start. First, I'm going to ask you some activities. Okay, let's understand some activities. See, in cash flow statement, our business is divided in 3 activities. How many activities we are dividing it? In 3 activities. Our business, whole business. Some are our day-to-day activities, which is called as operating activity. Operating activity means, so you have to remember first this O if. O if, O for operating, I for investing, and F for financing. So our activities are basically divided in 3 parts: operating, investing, and financing. Understood the concept? Now, operating activity means what? Operating activity means day-to-day activities. So which are my day-to-day activities? Salary payment, business purchases, purchases of goods, selling of goods, interest paid. No, interest paid is the financing activity. Okay, interest paid is the financing activity because we are taking loan and therefore we are paying finance interest. So that is the financing activity. Okay. So electricity bill paid, telephone expense paid, all are these operating activities. Okay. Now, what are investing activity? Investing means you are buying some assets or you are selling some assets. Buying some assets, buying a plant and machinery, buying furniture, buying vehicle. What are these? Or buying investments? Or what are these activities? These are we are doing investment. So buying and selling of your assets are normally related to investing activity. And what is financing activity? Loan taken, capital issued are normally, or repayment of loan, capital repayment, buyback. So the interest paid, dividend paid are all financing activity. So friends, basically we have to divide our business in three activities. Sir, why sir? In profit and loss account, what is the difference between profit and loss account and this cash flow statement? Profit and loss account, we are getting profit based on the accrued concept of accounting. Accrued concept of accounting means what? For example, now I will give you an example. One of my friend, he is having the business of garments. Okay, so kurti, paisama, or ladies material, he is selling that. And one of my friend, he is having the business of steel and cement. Who is more happy? What do you think? Who is more happy? Steel cement business, sir, he will earn a great profit. Yes, you're correct. Huge profits. But, and garments बेचने वाला, who is selling that garments, he is more happy as compared to steel cement businessman. Why? Reason is very simple. Because he is selling garments and he is taking cash immediately. So he does not have any credit sales. Means there is a credit sale, but hardly a matter of 5-10 days, he is getting his money immediately. So he's collecting it immediately. So he's more happy. And on paper, my steel, my friend who is doing that steel business, on paper he has huge profits, but he does not have any cash in hand. Why? Because his maximum profit is based on accrual concept, means he is selling goods on credit and he is buying goods on cash. So he always faces cash crunch. And to understand, on paper profits are huge. On paper profits are huge, but on in hand cash is very less, and therefore every businessman wants to know what is my cash flow statement. How much cash I am having with. On paper, my profit is different, is a huge profit. But when I'm starting to ask for payment, I don't have cash. Oh, and therefore we prepare a cash flow statement. Everyone understood this concept of cash flow statement? So what is the, I use the word badi badi baate and vada pav khate. So why this word? See, because businessman, he's telling me the amounts in crores, but if I'm asking the simple loan repayment or creditors repayment, he does not have cash. And why he does not have cash? Because he does not have strong cash flow statement. Or apart from that, so this is the basic difference. Apart from that, in cash flow statement, normally, suppose my main profession is getting, yes, this is professional classes or professional services to I'm serving to my clients. So my main business is the operating business is the chartered accountancy, and my secondary business to receive rent or to receive interest. So this is not my income, actual income. This is income on paper, but this is not my main income. So in profit and loss account, I cannot bifurcate my main income and secondary income. So in cash flow statement, I can easily understand What is my main income? That is my operating income. And what is my interest income? That is the investment income. So I bifurcate my income according to activity wise, and therefore cash flow statement is important. So logic is very simple. So why we prepare cash flow statement? Because cash flow statement will tell you exactly what is your cash inflows and outflows. And apart from that, what is your activity wise income, and your activities are divided in three parts: operating, investing, and financing. Got the concept? Okay. So we start with the what is aim chapter. In exam, you will have some activities and you are asked to prepare cash flow statement. Now, what is the pro forma of that cash flow statement? First one, cash flow from operating activity. Simple. B, cash flow from investing activity. And C, cash flow from financing activity. If I take the total of these three, what is this called as net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent, and in cash and cash equivalent. And now this total is matching with my opening cash and cash equivalent and closing cash and cash equivalent. If I take the difference of these two, and if I take the total of these three, this total will match. Okay, difference between opening and closing cash and cash equivalent and total of my activities, it is definitely going to match, and therefore we prepare cash flow statement. Got the concept? Very easy. Okay. So how many activities are there? Three activities. And what is the total is called as net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent. And how it is, one more time, how it is calculated? It is calculated by taking a difference of opening cash and cash equivalent and closing cash and cash equivalent. Simple. Understood? Yes. Who is going to explain me all these things? Yes. What are you understood? Yes, Aditi. बेटा बोलिए क्या
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? What is the difference between P&L and cash flow statement?
Good morning, sir. So PNL is in PNL we can see the profit accrued, and in cash flow statement we see the outflow and inflow of the cash. In cash flow statement we have three activities: operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity. In operating activity, it is for the day-to-day business like sales or the main income which is recorded in the operating activity. In investing activity, it is for the investment we do in the course of the business, like the secondary income we get from like
जहाँ
the
मैंने
rent or
कॉल है
interest received. Then third is the financing activity, in which the interest paid or any kind of the rent paid which is included in the finance activity, so that is finance activity. And in cash flow statement, first of all we see the cash flow from operating activity, then cash flow from investing, and then cash flow for financing activity. And then the total is known as the net increase or decrease in the cash and cash in cash and cash equivalent. And then in the E we have the opening, and then F closing balance, and the difference is the total which is in the net increase or decrease.
Correct, my dear. And what is the drawback of P&L?
In PNL we can't see that how much cash is there in the business, but in cash flow we can see that how much cash is in the business. In PNL it
So
is only
P&L
the,
is consisting of cash transaction plus credit transaction, correct?
yes sir,
And cash flow statement is purely
cash transactions.
okay. ठीक है. So today, beta, we are going to understand some ledger accounts. Okay, some ledger accounts. You have to practice some ledger accounts in after today's session. So it will be very easy for you, all of you. Okay. So now first I will start with the very simple ledger account. I will start with the debtors account. Aditi, your direct entry, no?
Yes sir.
Huh. Now, beta, debtors account has which balance? Debtors is an
Debit balance.
why? Debtor is an asset.
Asset.
Correct? The asset shows debit balance.
Debit balance.
When debtors, everyone please write it in on rough pages. I'm going to ask you all these ledger accounts. You have to practice it at least 3 to 4 times, all these ledger accounts, and then we'll start with the questions. I'm not going to start directly with question. Okay. So debtors account. So can you tell me the debtors account has debit balance, correct?
Yes, sir.
So debtors is a personal account.
Yes, sir.
So last year you already have this opening balance in debtors.
Yes, sir.
So can I write it as two balance brought down?
Yes, sir.
And last line it is by balance carried down. Any difficulty
Carried
in
on.
this?
No.
No. So debtors last year from opening balance sheet you will get this amount. Closure you will get, correct?
Yes, sir.
When debtors will increase?
Debtors will increase when there is a sale,
When there is a credit sale.
credit sale,
When there is a
credit sale.
cash sales is there, then there will be no debtors, correct? And when
Yes.
debtors will decrease?
Um, when for that sale the debtors pay us the amount.
Collection from the debtors. Simple.
Collection
Already
from
we know all these journal entries. No basic. Collection from debtors by cash. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now from where you will get two balance brought down?
From last year balance sheet,
Opening balance sheet.
opening
Correct?
balance. Yeah.
From where you will get this closing balance?
This will be the balancing figure.
No, no, no. Closing balance from closing balance sheet.
Okay.
Simple. Balancing figure. We are now on this chapter of cash flow.
Okay.
Okay. So cash flow statement mein what is the balancing figure normally?
It is related to cash. So by cash,
Cash. So by cash is normally balancing figure.
balancing figure.
Okay. So by cash is the normally balancing figure.
Okay.
And two sales, from where we get the two sales?
From the trial balance or from the
No, no, no. You have two
additional
statements. One
information
is balance sheet and one is P&L. From which statement you will
to
get this?
PNL.
So from P&L, I will get the
Sales
credit
amount.
sales.
Credit sales.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Actually, in P&L, we will get the whole sales, total sales. But if we have the bifurcation, it's okay. If do not have bifurcation, then is also okay. Because this cash consists of two cash. One is cash sales and one is collection from debtors.
Collection from debtors.
If I consider total sales over here, and if I take only credit sales over here, I will get collection from debtors.
Yes, sir.
Correct? If total sales I consider, then I will get total cash. One is cash sales plus collection from debtors. If I consider only credit sale, I will get collection from debtors. Understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
Normally we are getting by cash overall amount. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, beta, in cash flow statement, ICAI may give you profit and loss account, and it might be not given. It might be
Not given.
if profit and loss account is given, then you can easily identify what is sales.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it is given, then sales can be easily find out. Then this is called as direct method of accounting. What we call it as?
Direct method of accounting.
Direct method of cash flow statement.
Cash flow statement.
Okay.
Yes.
And if P&L is not given, then beta, still we can calculate this. But this is called as
Indirect method.
indirect method. Okay. In both cases, you can find out. Now, if P&L is given, so what you will do? You will open debtors account.
Debtors account.
And what you will find?
The sales value.
Collection from debtors. No, you find collection from debtors. No, sales is given.
Okay.
Open debtors and find out
Collection from debtors.
collection from debtors. And if you go by the if profit and loss account is not given, so you will start with the net profit. You will start with the,
Net profit.
therefore, net profit, reverse way, net profit. And therefore, it is called as indirect method. Why it is called as indirect method? Because we start with the net profit. And net profit means already including sales.
Yes, sir.
In net profit calculation, sales is already included. What is net profit? Income minus expense. And income is already there in the, sales is already there in the income. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
we
sir.
start with net profit and we take the difference between opening balance of debtors and closing balance of debtors. So we take the difference between these two, opening and closing. So ultimately you will get the collection from debtors indirectly.
Yes, sir.
So direct method, you will open debtors account. And indirect method, you don't need P and L. You start with the net profit and you take the difference between debtors opening and closing balance. So ultimately you'll get the same figure. Which is
Yes.
popular one? So indirect method is a popular one. Normally, if you see the cash flow statement, so you will get in real life indirect method maximum. But
Okay.
whether there is the restriction on the indirect method, no. You can prepare your statement by direct method also if you want. But what happens for direct method? You will need P&L items. For direct method, you need
P&L items.
And if P&L is missing, so you will go directly. You will go by which method?
Indirect method.
So you understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो बताओ एक बार वापस पूरा.
So in PNL is in that we see the accrual plus cash basis. So it shows the profit, which is profit
No,
accrued.
no, no. Now only explain this concept.
Okay, okay, fine. So first of all, the daters. So in daters, first of all, daters have a debit balance. So two balance brought down, which is shown in the PNLs, which is shown in the balance sheet. Sorry, in the opening balance sheet, and then by balance carried down for the closing balance sheet. Then if there is a sale, so two sales, which is include the credit sales only, total sales in the PNL. So if there is a total sales, then both cash sales plus collection from the daters, and if there is a credit sale, so we will just consider, no, if there is a cash sales, so we will consider collection from the
No,
daters.
no, credit sales. अरे collection, credit sales होगा तो collection from debtors आएगा ना. Cash sales
Okay.
होगा तो कैसे collection from debtors मिलेगा?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Then buy cash when the daters decrease, so it in
Huh?
that buy cash it
No,
includes
no, it's a
sales.
balancing figure, my dear. हाँ,
Yes.
अच्छा, okay, okay. हाँ, 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 हाँ. So buy cash is a balancing figure. Okay.
Yes. So
हाँ.
it includes sales and the collection from the daters. Then in ICAI, if in the ICAI PNL, if it is PNL is given, so we will use the direct method. In that we will see the opening. We'll put the opening daters amount, and we will find the cash from cash
Opening debtors,
collection
closing
from the
debtors. Opening
daters.
debtors नहीं बेटा, open debtors account. Okay, that is not opening
Open
debtor.
daters.
Open
Open
debtors
data.
account, हाँ, and you will find out the balancing figure, collection from
Collection
debtors.
from debtors, and if PNL is not given, we'll go with the indirect method. In that we will go from the start from the net profit. In that it is already included sales, then net profit. In that we will find the opening balance and the closing balance, the difference between two of the debtors, and that will be by the cash we will put.
So balancing figure means you will get the indirectly cash collection.
Yeah.
Okay, indirectly cash collection. Correct?
And in both, indirect method is the famous one.
Yes, popular one is the indirect method.
Indirect method.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, so first pro forma over. Now you only tell me. Creditors pro forma.
Creditors, it is in that it is shown in the credit side. So creditors, by balance brought down.
Credit plus debit minus. First start with that.
Okay. credit plus debit minus,
Hmm.
buy balance brought down, to balance carried down, and creditors is for the purchases. So buy purchases
Hmm.
on the credit side, and creditors is reduced when we pay the cash. So to cash account in
Very good.
balancing
If I
figure.
go by direct method, then
If I'd go with the direct method, then I will open the creditors account,
hmm.
and I will find that payment to the creditors.
Very good. Payment to creditors. By opening this account, balancing figure is to cash. And if I go by indirect method, then
I will start with
net profit,
net profit. Okay,
in
net
which
profit, in which it is, I guess,
purchases
okay,
is already included. Net
already
profit
included,
mein.
and difference of the creditors opening balance and credit closing balance is shown in the cash.
Yes, and we will add less opening and closing balance of creditors.
Okay.
So indirect method you start with.
Indirect.
Hmm.
Okay, I start with net profit. In that, it is already included purchases,
Very good.
then
Chalo. Very
plus
good. Very good.
minus closing
Expenses.
expenses. Expenses has a debit balance, so debit plus credit minus,
Hmm.
to balance brought down.
No, it is too prepaid because expense is a nominal account. And nominal
Okay.
account does not have any opening and closing balance.
Okay,
So I cannot write,
to balance brought down
I will write too prepaid instead
to
of that.
prepaid. Okay,
Okay. Buy
by
prepaid.
prepaid,
Hmm. Buy,
and credit side to payable
buy payable,
and to payable
to payable, to cash,
by
and by
payment.
P&L.
Okay,
So expense, are you going to write to balance brought down?
no, sir.
So I will write to
To
prepaid,
prepaid, by
by
prepaid,
prepaid.
by payable to payable, and by PNL to cash.
Hmm. Now you tell me from where you will get to prepaid and by prepaid?
From the balance sheet,
Opening balance sheet and closing
opening
balance
balance sheet.
sheet.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
By payable to payable,
Opening balance sheet and closing.
balance sheet liability side. Prepaid is from asset side. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what is balancing figure in this account?
Cash account.
Very good. In which method it is important to prepare expense account?
In which method?
Direct or indirect? There are only two methods.
Yes, sir. So, in direct method.
In direct method, in space direct method or indirect method?
In space
Space
direct
direct method.
method.
Tell me direct method. Okay.
Yeah, direct
Ha.
method.
So it will be very confusing, no? Indirect. Ha. So direct method, you will open expense account
Expense
and to
account.
cash is the balancing figure. In indirect method, you start with,
Net profit.
so net profit already includes this by P&L,
Yes, sir.
and then you will take a difference of
Opening and the closing of the
prepaid
expenses.
and payable. You will take the
Prepaid and
difference between
yeah,
prepaid and payable. Correct?
payable.
Very good. Very good. So current assets and current liabilities account already over. Okay. So
Yes.
debtors account, creditors account, and
Expense account.
expense account we already completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fourth account. So in cash flow statement, what is important, my dear? To open accounts. Okay.
Accounts.
And these accounts you will open only in case of direct method.
Okay.
Indirect method में these three accounts you are not going to open.
Okay.
Now we will move to other than current assets and current liability. Operating activity we have completed. Now we will start with the investing activity. So investing activity now option 1 asset account. And if asset account is maintained at WDV. If asset is maintained at WDV, what it means? Which account you are not going to prepare?
Uh,
If you want to show
Depreciation,
the accumulated depreciation account,
accumulated
which
depreciation,
account you will not open?
accumulated depreciation.
Or provision for depreciation.
Yes, sir.
Don't open accumulated depreciation. We already covered this, no? Asset account. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So if asset is shown at WDV, don't open.
Accumulated depreciation or
So in
provision for
balance sheet,
depreciation.
you will understand it. Now, I don't know exactly. In question, you will understand whether accumulated depreciation is there or not there. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
And in that case, if not there, then you will have only one asset account. Okay. What is the
Okay.
pro forma?
Uh,
Debit plus credit
Debit plus
minus.
credit minus two balance brought down by
Hmm.
balance carried down,
Hmm.
and like if there will be depreciation, so it is the reduce.
Cash if there is
Yes.
additions.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
By depreciation.
Yeah, that is the reduction in the assets. So by
Very
depreciation,
good. Then if you are selling the asset, then
so by cash.
by cash. And if you are selling the asset, so there might be a loss
Yes.
or there might be
Profit.
profit on sale. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
Two balance brought down from where you will get?
From the balance sheet.
Opening balance sheet.
Closing balance sheet.
Very good. By depreciation from where you will get?
Uh, P&L.
Very good. P&L में होता है ना depreciation.
Yes, sir.
And by loss on sale, from where you will get? P&L only.
P&L.
Loss and profit will be in P&L. Correct? No?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now, either they will give you the selling price of assets sold
Okay.
or they will give you additions. Now, this addition will be cash flow statement में outflow, where you will record,
Cash flow statement outflow.
and selling is cash flow statement
Inflow.
inflow.
Okay.
So why this pro forma is important? To find out the cash flow statement outflow or cash
And
flow
inflow.
statement inflow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is the option 2? Asset is maintained at
Cost.
cost. And if asset is maintained at cost, which account you are going to open?
Accumulated depreciation.
Accumulated depreciation. What is the pro forma?
Accumulated
Asset
depreciation.
account first.
Okay. Asset account, so debit plus credit minus.
And accumulated depreciation?
Credit, or just opposite of that, credit plus debit minus. Two balance brought down by balance carried down.
Uh,
And in that, by balance brought down to balance carried down.
to cash additions.
Yes, sir.
Then
To cash additions, and in that credit side, asset credit side, it will be depreciation.
no
Accumulated
depreciation in
depreciation.
the accumulated depreciation.
Yes. Okay. By
And when I sold asset or scrap or discard,
Okay.
then to asset.
To assets.
If asset is not sold, then I won't cancel accumulated depreciation. So when to cancel accumulated depreciation?
If asset is
Sold,
sold,
discard
scrap
or
and
scrap.
discard.
Okay. And here I will write depreciation or accumulated depreciation.
Accumulated depreciation.
And when I accumulated depreciation, then by cash, by loss on
Loss
sale,
and to
and to
profit.
profit on sale. So what is the difference between these two?
In
Here,
that, it is shown as the written
depreciation
down
is
value.
recorded over here
Yes.
in asset itself, and where in here in accumulated depreciation.
Depreciation.
And here, when accumulated depreciation is cancelled,
Buy so on sold and scrap and discard, and then on the asset credit side buy accumulated depreciation.
so you got the difference between these two accounts.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Otherwise, remaining is same.
Okay.
So only in case of asset at WDB, you don't open accumulated depreciation, and in case of asset is sold, you will open.
Accumulated depreciation.
Yes, very good. क्या बात है? Easy.
Yes, sir.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Easy है क्या बेटा?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करो चलो. Easy लगा?
Yes, sir.
So this pro forma you have to write it in the concept book first. Okay. Have you completed your concept book?
Yes, sir.
पूरा तैयार है?
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी मैं 10 मिनट देता हूं आपको. What you are going to write?
These are proformas.
हाँ चलो. And recall these pro formas. From where we'll get the information. So ले लीजिए screenshots लगे तो. लिखा ही होगा आप लोगों ने, फिर भी एक बार ले लीजिए. Over.
So, one second.
And write down it in your pro forma book, in your concept book first.
Over, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
And extra ledger accounts we will prepare according to illustrations.
Okay.
चलो start writing बेटा.
Yes, sir.
प्रॉपर फेयर करो और 2 बार रफ में लिख के देखो सब प्रोफॉर्मा याद करके. यू हैव टू रिकॉल दिस प्रोफॉर्मा एंड राइट इट इन दी ऑन रफ पेजेस. फर्स्ट डू इट इन फेयर and then recall every proforma and recall like my thinking, debit plus credit minus, from where we'll get the figure. Okay
Okay, sir.
students, I'm going to ask you the proforma. Those who have completed this proforma can raise their hand, so I will ask you directly. Only 4 proformas are there after writing. First do it in fair and then raise your hand. Chalo. I hope you have completed. Raise your hand. अन्य अभी तक नहीं हुआ बेटा. चरण. Yes, Charan. Are you comfortable in ledger accounts now? You're not audible, beta. मला Yes, Devashish. Have you completed, beta Devashish?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me proformas?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, start. Creditors.
Credit plus debit minus.
Hmm.
Buy balance carried down. Buy balance brought down. To balance carried down. And then buy purchases. And then to cash.
Okay. Direct method में you will focus directly on
Account.
hmm?
Direct payment to creditors.
Payment to creditors. And indirect method you start with?
Start with net profit.
एक सेकंड ना. Net profit. Then you could take a
Net
difference
profit
between.
and opening balance and closing balance.
Very good. Very good. Accumulated depreciation.
Buy balance credit plus
Credit
debit
plus
minus.
debit. हाँ.
Buy balance brought
Devashish, you
down.
are my foundation student or direct entry?
No, sir. Previous batch direct
हाँ,
student.
previous batch student. हाँ. Why are you attending again?
सर मैंने जो पहले अटेंड किया था वो
हाँ.
तब तक 60% सिलेबस खत्म हो गया था.
Okay, and you
तो
started late.
हाँ सर.
अभी बहुत अच्छे से समझ रहा है?
हाँ सर समझ रहा है.
ओके. हाँ, बोलिए.
सर बाय क्रेडिट प्लस डेबिट माइनस
हम्म.
बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन 2 balance credit on.
Hmm.
By depreciation,
Hmm.
2 plant.
वेरी गुड. अन्य ने अभी तक हैंड रेज नहीं किया. अदर स्टूडेंट्स. रोहन. Why other students have not raised their hand? This is very important chapter, my dear. If you do not answer in the class, then believe me, you won't face exam. और मेरे हिसाब से तो सबने हैंड रेज करना ही चाहिए. देवशीष, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Yes, sir. और एक कॉन्फिडेंस आता है सर, इंटरेक्शन का मौका मिलता है इसलिए.
बट डरते बहुत है. आप भी डरते थे क्या स्टार्टिंग में?
हाँ सर.
अभी नहीं डर लगता?
नहीं सर.
क्यों?
सर पहले बहुत बार किया है, अभी दोबारा स्टार्ट किया है, थोड़ा रिवीजन चालू किया है तो इसीलिए.
ओके. बेटा एक काम करते हैं. विल सॉल्व वन टीवाई के क्वेश्चन. हम्म. So we'll start with the illustration part. So it will be easy for you. So you will understand कि how to prepare the cash flow statement. Okay, every one of you. And extra account, ledger accounts, we will write directly in the concept book. आपने concept book में लिखा ना अभी का? देवशीष,
यस सर.
have you written in the concept book?
हाँ सर.
Okay. चलो, so ठीक है. Any new student who wants to read the question? Preeti. Yes. Preeti. Preeti. Anita. Yes, unmute yourself, beta Anita. I think ये लोग mic, when you start your Zoom, when they ask you about mic, तो say yes. चलो दीक्षा, बेटा will start.
From the good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. चलो start.
From the following balance sheet of the
Hmm.
sir, it
Grow
is not
more. Grow more limited.
Grow,
You
Grow
don't
More
have this
Limited.
book?
No, sir. Sir, I have ordered,
Okay.
but I
When
don't
is your
receive.
exam?
Tambaratam.
Okay. चलो.
Grow More Limited prepared the cash flow statement of the year ended 31st March 2001.
Hmm.
Particular notes to account.
No. Now share capital. Is it changing or not changing?
It is changing.
Okay. So I will write over here last year, current year. It is
Okay,
increasing
sir.
or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. Acha. Trading and P&L is appearing in the question or not?
No, sir.
There is no trading and P&L. So which method you cannot use over here?
Direct method.
Very good. As P&L account is not given, therefore mandatory
Indirect method.
indirect method. Everyone has to write this. So mandatory indirect method. Chalo start.
Share capital.
Now share
currently,
capital from 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So your liability is increasing or decreasing?
liability is increasing 2 lakh.
Okay. So beta, if liability is increasing or asset is decreasing, it is inflow.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So write down this. And if liability decreases means you repay. And asset increases you means asset you buy. So it is outflow.
Okay,
Correct?
sir.
So liability increases means you have taken a loan or you have raised the capital. So it is inflow.
Okay, sir.
So from share capital 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So it is inflow or outflow?
It is inflow.
Inflow. And share capital means which activity? Operating,
Invest
investing or financing?
financing.
You raised capital means you finance to your business. So inflow in which activity?
In financing activity.
So beta, now I will write over here. Wait. What is the question number? TYK 10.
10.
So you can write on rough page, you can divide it OIF. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And in financing activity, you will write what is this? Share capital. Correct? You don't have to write everything. You just write down share SC means share capital. Inflow or outflow?
Inflow.
Inflow of rupees?
2 lakh.
2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs positive. Okay, how to present the answer? We will see that. But now only we are doing understanding. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Share capital. Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
So you don't have to write everything OIF. You just write OIF and SC. SC means share capital 2 lakhs. Reserves and surplus.
Reserve and surplus current year 3 lakh.
See, general reserve
Okay.
and profit and loss account. Note is given, no?
Yes, sir.
So from 1 lakh 50. So what is your profit during the year?
1 lakh.
From 60,000 to 1 lakh. Okay. So what is your
Yes.
profit?
1 lakh.
Okay. No. Net profit during the year?
Net profit 40,000.
40,000. So I will take 40,000 in operating activity. And how much you transfer to general reserve?
50,000.
1,50,000 to 2 lakhs means during the year you transferred 50,000. So actual profit is 90,000. So can I write instead of net profit, can I write retained earnings?
Yes, sir.
I retained 40,000 and I transferred to general reserve 50,000. So total profit I earned 90,000. Okay, what it means? Total profit I earned
90,000.
90,000. And out of that I transferred to general reserve 50 and retained earnings 40. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chalo. Next one. Long-term borrowings. Now what is long-term borrowings? Debentures. When I issued debentures at the end of the year. So my liability is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. So it is inflow or outflow?
Inflow.
And which activity?
Financing.
Okay, so write down. Debentures 2 lakhs. And whether you have to pay interest on it?
Yes, sir.
No.
But it is the end of the year, so
So no interest. So no interest, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. Trade payable.
Trade
Trade
payable
decreasing or increasing?
decreases
Decreases by
by 1,20,000.
1,20,000. So trade payable decreases means outflow or inflow?
Outflow.
Outflow. Why outflow? Because liability decreasing means you are repaying.
Repaying.
So decrease in creditors, I will write here 1,20,000 in bracket. Understood? Operating activity, no?
Yes, sir.
Other current liability. Now what is other current liability?
Dividend
Dividend payable.
payable.
So beta mandatory I will open after 10, 15 lines dividend account. What I am opening?
Dividend account.
Dividend is nominal account.
Yes, sir.
Expenditure, correct?
Yes, sir.
So nominal account does it have opening or closing balance, buy balance brought down, to balance carried down, or buy payable
No,
to
sir.
payable?
Buy payable to payable.
And dividend we never pay it in advance, correct?
Yes, sir.
So buy payable to payable. There is no prepaid. What is my opening dividend?
Oh,
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
And what is closing? 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Buy payable 1 lakh and to payable 0. Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Next is
Short-term provisions. Provision for
short-term
tax.
provision. So income tax. Which account I am going to open?
Income tax account.
Income tax is also nominal.
Yes, sir.
So buy payable
To payable.
to payable. What is buy payable?
Buy payable 70.
70,000. And what is to payable?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Just noted. So mandatory accounts, dividend account, and income tax account. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now see, one of the old machines sold. So additional information, you have information of plant and machinery. So plant and machinery, we are going to open account.
Okay,
Why
sir.
we are opening account? Because it has additional information, correct?
Additional information.
Land and building, whether it has any additional income information? No. Construction of the building completed, hence no depreciation. So no additional information. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or if you want, you can open. So I will open plant and machinery account and land and building account. Correct? Next item. Okay. So we have completed share capital, reserve surplus, long-term, trade payable, other current liability, short-term provisions. Now next is property, plant and equipment. How many accounts are there? 2. Plant and machinery and land and building. If you don't want to open land and building, it's okay. But only for understanding purpose, I opened it. In exam, you can skip it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So what I'm going to write in plant and machinery account?
To balance.
Brought down.
Brought down.
And by balance carried down. And here also to balance brought down. Have you written? 5 lines account. To balance brought down, by balance carried down. Over?
Yes, sir.
What is the balance? Opening balance of plant and machinery?
5 lakh.
Write down. 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs. And land and building? 4 lakh, and 6 lakhs. Over?
Yes, sir.
Written?
Yes, sir.
Next item. Non-current investment.
Increasing.
Increasing means outflow or inflow?
Outflow.
Asset increase means you bought it. Outflow. And which activity?
Investing activity.
Investing activity. So in investing activity, write down non-current investment. NCI. Non-current investment, how much?
1 lakh.
Outflow, bracket. Outflow in bracket. Next one. Inventory.
Increasing.
Which activity?
Mm,
Operating.
operating activities.
Increase in inventory. Outflow or inflow?
In outflow.
Outflow. Outflow of 2 lakhs. And trade receivable decrease or increase?
Trade receivable decreases.
Decreases means inflow or outflow? Asset
Out.
decreases?
Inflow.
Inflow. Asset decreases means inflow. Over?
Yes, sir.
And cash and cash equivalent? 2
ये
lakhs
हम
ka
balancing
zero. So 2
zero.
lakhs ka zero means cash and cash equivalent?
Positive.
2 lakhs ka zero means asset is decreasing. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So decrease in cash and cash equivalent means in bracket I will write it. Starting
Decrease.
में and total is OIF will be minus 2 lakhs. Got it?
Okay, sir.
हाँ, total ना. Cash and cash equivalent means total. At the beginning 2 lakhs, at the end 0. So now I have decreased my cash. Okay, don't apply rule. Asset increases, decreases over here. My cash is decreasing means minus 2 lakhs. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Now depreciation. What is depreciation?
Depreciation.
25% on opening balance. What is the opening balance of plant and machinery?
4 lakh.
Land के ऊपर no depreciation. Correct?
Okay.
So what is the depreciation amount? 5 lakhs
1
पे
to 5.
25%. How much?
1 to 500.
1,25,000. Okay, so by depreciation, correct? Ha. Now
Yes, sir.
tell me, depreciation is already included in net profit. Now this 40,000 is already inclusive of depreciation.
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Due to depreciation, my profit increases or decreases?
Decrease this.
Decreases. But whether depreciation is cash expenditure or non-cash expenditure?
Non-cash expenditure.
Therefore, now my profit decreases. So I will add back my depreciation. Why I am adding back? Because there is no cash outflow due to depreciation.
Okay,
One more
sir.
time. One more time. See, net profit consists of depreciation. Depreciation was decreasing your profit. But depreciation is not actual cash expenditure. And therefore, now I will add back that depreciation to get the cash flow. देखो, एक बात बताता हूं. See, this is my profit and loss account. My income in cash is 100. My income in cash is
100.
100. My expenditure in cash is 40. Okay. So what is my actual cash profit?
60.
60 is my cash profit. Wait, correct? But suppose if I record depreciation, assume depreciation is 20. What is my profit?
40.
40. But this is my
Non-cash.
so if
Accrued.
I want to ship to cash profit, so what I
Add
should
back.
do about depreciation?
Add back.
Add back. क्योंकि depreciation deducts my profit. But when I'm calculating cash profit, because I'm moving to cash profit, where I'm moving?
Cash profit.
Cash profit. So for cash calculation of cash profit, what I have to do?
Add back the non-cash items and extraordinary
Very
items.
good. Very good. So non-cash item I will add back. Understood? Because I'm
Yes,
calculating cash profit. I'm calculating
cash profits.
At the year end, one costing 50,000, which is WDV 20,000. 20,000 is WDV. What is original cost?
Of
50,000. And what is
Fif-
today's value?
30,000.
20,000. 20,000. Book value. WDV means
Book value.
book value. Now tell me, have you opened accumulated depreciation account?
No, sir.
No. So whether 50,000 is important for you?
Yes, sir. For
No.
calculating.
No. Original cost is important only if accumulated depreciation account is open.
Okay, sir.
So 50,000 is to confuse us. To confuse us. TCU. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We are interested in 20,000. Which value is important?
20,000.
Why?
It
Accumulated
is
depreciation is not opened. Therefore, original cost is not important.
okay, sir.
Understood, everyone? So which is the important value? Book value 20,000. And at what price you sold it?
35,000.
So you are in profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit of 15,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
For doesn't.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm going to write it in plant and machinery. Now tell me.
By sales.
By cash.
Yeah.
Selling price. Yes. What is the selling price?
35.
35. And
By profit.
by profit or to profit? Look
By
at your proforma. Look at your proforma. You completed it in fair.
Oh, to profit.
Loss we will write over there. By loss. To profit. How much?
15.
15,000. 35 minus 20. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now where to give this by cash ka effect? Investing activity.
Investing activity.
Plant and machinery sold. How much?
35,000.
And now tell me, this profit is already included in P&L?
Yes, sir.
P&L is already considering this 15,000?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But whether this profit on sale is your operating item or investing item?
Investing item.
So should I eliminate it from the profit? Because
Yes,
I
sir.
want cash operating profit. What I want?
Cash operating.
So should I eliminate this 15,000?
Yes, sir.
And if I eliminate profit on sale, my profit increases or decreases?
Decreases.
Decreases. Therefore, I will deduct profit on sale of plant and machinery. One more time. See, this profit is already including in the net profit. Net profit में already ये include है.
Yes,
ये
sir.
15,000 रुपया. But I want only operating cash profit. तो मुझे कैश ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझे ये हटाना पड़ेगा. आई वॉन्ट टू एलिमिनेट दिस. सो 15,000 आई एम गोइंग टू डिडक्ट इट फ्रॉम दी प्रॉफिट. देखो, यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, थोड़ा सा तकलीफ होगा, बट वेन यू सॉल्व 2-3 क्वेश्चंस विल बूस्ट कॉन्फिडेंस. आया समझ में बेटा?
Okay, sir.
तो 15,000 what I am going to eliminate from where I am going to eliminate?
Eliminate from
ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी लिखा ना बेटा,
operating activity.
एलिमिनेट इधर लिखा ना 15,000.
Okay, sir.
डिडक्ट किया ना मैंने. हाँ,
Okay.
सो मैंने किसके किसके इफेक्ट दिए?
Dividend
35,000 एंड 15,000 एंड डेप्रिसिएशन
35,000
का. ओके, सो
depreciation.
बैलेंस शीट का ओनली वन इफेक्ट, बट एडजस्टमेंट के हाउ मेनी इफेक्ट्स?
3.
थ्री कैसे इफेक्ट्स होंगे? डबल इफेक्ट होता है ना. 3 इफेक्ट्स कैसे होंगे?
Uh,
35,000 का एक इफेक्ट इधर, एक इफेक्ट ऊपर. 15,000 का एक इफेक्ट नीचे, एक इफेक्ट इधर. दो इफेक्ट देना एवरी अमाउंट का, ओनली 2 इफेक्ट. डिप्रिसिएशन 1,25,000 हमने उसमें ऐड बैक कर दिया 1,25,000.
okay, sir.
एडजस्टमेंट के कितने इफेक्ट्स दिए?
2.
2 इफेक्ट्स. हाँ. नाउ 50,000 वॉज पेड टुवर्ड्स इनकम टैक्स. तो इनकम टैक्स में क्या लिखूं? पेड किया तो
Um, 2 paid.
टू कैश. बेटा पेड ऐसा कोई अकाउंट होता है क्या बेटा?
2K
टू पेड
cash.
ऐसा अकाउंट होता है क्या कभी? एक्सपेंस में टू कैश लिखा ना आपने.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, टू कैश. टू पेड अकाउंट होता है क्या बेटा? कभी कभी सुना आपने टू
No,
पेड
sir.
अकाउंट? टू कैश. हाउ मच इज टू कैश?
30,000.
50,000. हाँ.
50,000.
एंड वेयर टू गिव सेकंड इफेक्ट?
In operating activities.
सेपरेट आइटम. हाँ, इनकम टैक्स पेड इज आफ्टर टेकिंग टोटल यू विल राइट लेस 50,000. अंडरस्टूड? You will
Yes,
first
sir.
take this 50 total and then you will write afterwards. So income tax paid we have to write separately. Over?
Yes, sir.
So now all adjustments over. Now we will close one by one account. Dividend. What I am going to write? Dividend account में 2.
2 balance carry down.
Why beta? 2 payable is 0. Balance 2 balance carry down होता है क्या उसमें? Nominal account है.
2 balance brought down.
अरे नहीं ना बेटा, ब्रॉट डाउन कहां से होगा? नॉमिनल अकाउंट है. 2 कैश.
2 cash.
Last year by payable 1 lakh. Now we paid it. How
Okay,
much we
sir.
paid?
1 lakh.
हाँ, बाय पेबल टू पेबल तो वो लिखा हुआ है, तो टू कैश या बाय पी एंड एल आएगा. तो बाय पी एंड एल नहीं है, टू कैश आएगा ना यहाँ पे.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, तो लास्ट ईयर डिविडेंड वी पेड इट नाउ. तो डिविडेंड पेड इज 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी, 2 इफेक्ट्स. ओवर.
Okay, sir.
नाउ इनकम टैक्स. व्हाट इज द मिसिंग फिगर?
Mm, income tax paid.
पेड. टू कैश इज ऑलरेडी इनकम टैक्स पेड, नो?
Income tax
इट इज एक्सपेंस अकाउंट. तो एक्सपेंस अकाउंट का बैलेंसिंग फिगर क्या होगा? अब भी पढ़ा आपने.
P&L.
बाय
P&L.
P and L. P and L is accrued and this is paid. You got the difference?
Yes, sir.
Accrued during the year 80,000. So in
80,000.
P and L you write 80,000, correct? But whether you are interested in 80,000 or you are interested in 50,000 in cash flow statement,
50,000.
so I want to eliminate this 80,000. So what I am going to do? इनकम टैक्स ने मेरा प्रॉफिट कम किया या बढ़ाया?
कम किया.
कम किया. तो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू
Add
add back
30,000.
it. Very good. So income tax I am going to add back. How much income tax I am going to add back?
30,000.
80,000। अरे बेटा ये अमाउंट ही लेने का ना, जो
Balance.
यहाँ से 50,000
Okay.
ऑलरेडी रिटर्न, जो अमाउंट है उसी का पोस्टिंग करेंगे, डिफरेंस का क्यों करेंगे?
Okay, sir.
80,000, देखो बेटा 80,000 इज ऑलरेडी अपीयरिंग इन द पी एंड एल, बट वी डोंट वांट एक्रूअल कॉन्सेप्ट, वी वांट कैश कॉन्सेप्ट। तो हमें प्रॉफिट को क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रॉफिट को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। 80,000 से प्रॉफिट रिड्यूस हुआ है।
Okay, sir.
नाउ आई विल add it back and I will deduct only 50,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next account, plant and machinery. What is the balancing figure? इधर आ रहा है बैलेंसिंग फिगर, 700 प्लस 35 प्लस 125 माइनस 500 माइनस 15, 3,45,000. What it reflects? To
To addition.
कैश, पहले लिखो
To
टू
cash.
कैश। आप कुछ भी अकाउंट्स लिखते हो, टू पेड, टू बा, ऐसा नहीं, टू कैश और बाद में एडिशंस बेटा।
Okay,
हाँ,
sir.
तो टू कैश कितना? 3,45,000. वेयर टू राइट दिस? एडिशंस,
Investing.
इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी परचेज, ब्रैकेट में 3,45,000। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
हाँ। एंड लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग, व्हाट इज द बैलेंसिंग फिगर? 2 lakhs. What I'm going to
Depreciation.
write?
Depreciation.
डेबिट में?
No. Credit. Oh, sorry. It is addition or to cash.
To cash additions, and they have written over there, there is no depreciation on land and building. फिर भी आप उस पे depreciation प्रोवाइड कर रही हो। नो प्रॉब्लम, यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। तो टू कैश, अगेन लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग परचेज,
Purchase.
आउटफ्लो 2 lakhs, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
अभी लो इसकी टोटल, बिफोर 50,000 टोटल लो, बिफोर 50,000 लो कैलसी पे, 40 प्लस 50 माइनस 120 माइनस 200 प्लस 200 प्लस 125 माइनस 15 प्लस 80, हाउ मच? 1,60,000, and minus what? 50,000 is 1,10,000, तो ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी 1,10,000। दीक्षा आपके पास कैलसी नहीं है क्या बेटा?
Yes, sir. I'm calculating.
नेक्स्ट, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी सोल्ड 35 माइनस 100 नॉन करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट माइनस 345 माइनस 200, सो आई एम गेटिंग द आंसर ब्रैकेट में माइनस 6,10,000. And what is the positive figure? Here it is 3 lakhs. So if I take a total 3 lakhs plus 110 minus 610, I am getting exactly negative 2 lakhs. And therefore my cash flow statement tallies. प्रैक्टिस करके आएगा. This is the first question. I will dictate it one. हम लोग इसकी प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे. आया क्या बेटा दीक्षा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, आप सब लिखोगे तो और अच्छे से आएगा. सी बेटा यहां पे आ जाओ. अभी देखो ये हमने जो लिखा है एग्जाम में कैसे लिखते देखो. टी वाई के 10. In exam what you are going to do beta, First, you will prepare the pro forma. देखो जो मैं कलर करके दे रहा हूं ना दीक्षा,
Yes, sir.
ये देखो पहले कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट ऑफ ग्रोमोर लिमिटेड, सीरियल नंबर पर्टिकुलर रुपीज रुपीज ₹2 कॉलम. देन व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी बेटा?
Cash flow
Cash
from
flow from
operating
operating
activities.
activities. And you start with retain earnings. Retain
Retained
earnings कितने
earnings.
थे बेटा?
640,000.
हाँ. Then you will write adjustments. Okay. Adjustments after 5 lines, you will write operating profit before working capital changes. Now, what is working capital? Working capital means current assets minus current
Minus current
liabilities.
liabilities.
ओके. वर्किंग कैपिटल का मीनिंग होता है करंट एसेट माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटी. एंड विच आर योर करंट एसेट्स एंड करंट लाइबिलिटी? इन्वेंटरी, ट्रेड पेएबल, ट्रेड रिसीवेबल आर योर वर्किंग कैपिटल. उसके बाद लिखोगे एडजस्टमेंट्स. तो आपको इससे क्या मिलेगा? आफ्टर 5 लाइंस यू विल राइट कैश जनरेटेड
Cash
फ्रॉम
generating from
ऑपरेशंस.
operations.
कैश जनरेटेड फ्रॉम
Operations.
operations. Then you will write less income tax paid and net cash flow from operating activity. पहले pro forma लिखोगे. Okay. So वापस एक बार. What is your pro forma? What is number A?
Cash flow from operating activities. Then
Under
retained
that,
earnings,
return
additional
earnings, then adjustments.
adjustments.
In adjustments, you will
Then
leave 5-6 lines. Then you will write.
operating activities.
नहीं पढ़ो ना बेटा, स्क्रीन पे पढ़ो.
Depreciation.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऑपरेटिंग मैंने डेप्रिसिएशन को अंडरलाइन किया है क्या?
Operating profit before working capital changes.
Then you will write.
Adjustment.
Then you will, after 5 lines, you will get.
Cash generated from operation.
Then you will write.
Minus income tax paid. Then
So you,
net cash flow from operating activities. If
one
it is
more
minus.
time. Wait. One more time. First you will write A.
Cash flow from operating activities, return earnings, adjustment.
Leave
Then
5 lines. पूरा बोलो. Leave 5 lines.
leave
5-6
5
lines.
lines. Then
हाँ.
operating profit before working capital changes, adjustments. Then leave 3-4 lines. And cash generating from operation. Then minus income tax. Cash, net cash from operating activities.
Okay. Yes. Then you will write cash flow from.
Investing activities.
After 6 lines you will write cash flow from.
Financing activities.
Net increase or decrease in.
Cash and cash equivalent.
Okay. Decrease bracket में लिखना है.
Then cash and cash equivalent in the beginning, cash and cash equivalent at the end.
TYK 10 net increase in bracket decrease in cash and cash. TYK 10 answers. रेवेन्यू रिजर्व का अकाउंट खोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. जनरल रिजर्व जरूरत है क्या?
No, sir.
डिविडेंड अकाउंट वर्किंग नोट 1. इनकम
Working
टैक्स
note.
अकाउंट इनकम टैक्स वर्किंग नोट 2. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी वर्किंग नोट 3. एंड whether there is need of land and building?
No.
There is no depreciation. So directly you can write no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So first you will prepare this pro forma. Okay. In exam. अभी क्या करोगे? Now line by line. Okay. चलो अभी एक बार वापस. शेयर कैपिटल कहां लिखोगे?
In financing activity.
इनफ्लो आउटफ्लो.
In outflow. Sorry, inflow.
फिर भी स्क्रीन पे सब दिख रहा है बेटा. एग्जाम में क्या लिखना है फिर इसके बाद? ऑन क्वेश्चन ओनली ये लिखना है. लाइबिलिटी इंक्रीज, एसेट डिक्रीज, इनफ्लो. लाइबिलिटी डिक्रीज, एसेट डिक्रीज, आउटफ्लो. ओके.
Okay, sir.
हाँ तो 2 lakhs कहां पे लिखोगे?
Financing activity. Inflow.
इशू ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल.
Issue of
Understood?
share cap.
मैं टिक करते जाऊंगा. जो कलर किया है वो आपको
Red pen से.
रेड पेन नहीं, वो फॉर्मेट है. रेड पेन यूज ही नहीं करना है. रेड पेन क्यों? इज इट इंपॉर्टेंट?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
वो तो फॉर्मेट है बेटा, पहले फॉर्मेट लिखोगे, देन यू विल प्रिपेयर वर्किंग नोट्स एंड देन वी विल पोस्ट इट.
Okay, sir.
पूरा लिख के दिया मैंने, पहले फॉर्मेट लिखोगे, ये डिविडेंड अकाउंट बनाओगे, इनकम टैक्स अकाउंट बनाओगे, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी बनाओगे. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
नेक्स्ट. हाँ.
Reserve and surplus.
हाँ.
Uh,
रिटेन अर्निंग्स के आगे कितना लिखोगे?
50,000.
बराबर देखो बेटा,
Uh,
प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस से रिटेन अर्निंग आता है.
40,000.
40,000 in front of retain earnings and appropriation of general reserve 50,000 red pen से in adjustment. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Next. ये ऊपर लिखा तो भी चलेगा बेटा, ये appropriation of general reserve first line. Next. हाँ, long term borrowing,
Long-term borrowings.
debentures थे वो.
Debentures.
हम्म,
Inflow.
Hmm.
Financing activity.
issue of debentures. Correct? What you are going
Yes.
to write?
Issue of debenture.
debentures 2 lakhs. Next. Next is अभी one more time we are doing revision. हाँ.
Trade payables.
हाँ.
Decreases 1,20,000. Operating activities.
In first adjustment और working capital के बाद वाले adjustment में.
Working capital.
हाँ, second adjustment means there are two
Second
adjustment, no?
adjustment.
हाँ.
Yes,
In second adjustment you are going to write it. Where you are going to write it?
In second adjustment.
Very good. एक ही क्वेश्चन करो, पूरा ग्रिप लो उसके ऊपर, मिनिमम 3 टाइम सॉल्व करो. ओके?
Okay, sir.
हाँ. नेक्स्ट.
Trade other current liabilities.
फॉर दैट दिस इज डिविडेंड, तो कहां पे लिखेंगे?
Dividend. In financing activity.
हाँ, अकाउंट बेटा, अकाउंट वी ओपन फॉर दिस, नो?
Okay.
हाँ.
Account.
हाँ, अकाउंट में क्या लिखेंगे?
To cash.
अभी टू कैश क्यों लिखेंगे बेटा? बाय पेबल टू पेबल.
Okay.
अब
To
वी आर
payable.
डूइंग पोस्टिंग फ्रॉम बैलेंस शीट, नो? टू कैश विल राइट इट लेटर ऑन.
Okay, sir.
मिस्टेक 1. मैं मिस्टेक कैलकुलेट करता हूं आप क्या? मिस्टेक 1. हाँ, वेयर टू राइट?
By payable to payable.
बाय पेबल ऑन द फर्स्ट लाइन 1 lakh, टू पेबल 0.
0.
फर्स्ट वी विल डू पोस्टिंग बेटा पूरा. नेक्स्ट. शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोविजंस, इनकम टैक्स.
We make account. By payable to payable.
बाय पेबल हाउ मच? पूरा बोलो.
By payable 70,000. To payable 1 lakh.
वेरी गुड. चलो आगे बढ़ो. नेक्स्ट. प्रॉपर्टी प्लांट एंड इक्विपमेंट.
We make account for plant and machinery.
What I'm going to write?
To balance brought down 5 lakh. By balance carried down 7 lakh.
Very good. And what about this? Land and building?
We don't have to make account.
No need to prepare account. So what I'm going to write? Nothing?
Nothing. Not nothing. Purchase of land and building. 2 lakh.
2 lakh. Mistake
2
number
lakh
2.
is inflow.
Negative 2 lakhs. Only 2 lakhs is not useful.
Okay. Negative.
Negative 2 lakhs. Mistake 2. I want full 100% accurate answer. Negative, positive, everything correctly.
Okay.
2 lakh negative. Next. Next is non-current investment.
Investing activities outflow.
What I will write?
Negative 1 lakh.
Particulars में what I am going to write? Particulars.
$1 lakh.
Particulars. In particulars, who write narration, no, normally.
Purchase of investment.
हाँ, purchase of investment. पूरा बोलो ना, investment purchase of investment, negative 1 lakh. हाँ, next.
Negative. Then trade, then inventories. Inventory increase, inflow of cash minus 2 lakh in
Inflow or outflow?
inflow of cash.
Why? Outflow ना बेटा, inflow तो
Oh,
नहीं
sorry,
pause.
outflow of cash.
Why
And,
outflow of cash? Inventory is not cash outflow. It is working capital changes.
Okay, sir.
हाँ. So in working capital, second adjustment or first adjustment?
Second adjustment.
How much?
Minus 2 lakh.
Increase in inventory. Next.
Trade receivable decrease, positive 2 lakh, decrease in trade receivable.
Very good. Next.
Next, cash and cash equivalent. Opening balance is
cash and cash equivalent at the beginning 2 lakhs, cash and cash
2 lakh
equivalent at the end 0, and
zero.
net increase or decrease है ये bracket में 2 lakhs,
Decrease
correct?
2 lakhs.
So D, E, F, where you will write this is in D, E and F में minus 2 lakhs.
Minus 2 lakh.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. ये E, ये F और ये D में आएगा. Correct? Minus 2 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Next, we have to calculate.
Now, adjustments. What to calculate? Depreciation at the rate of 25%. How many effects for adjustment?
2.
2 effects. चलो दीजिए.
By depreciation in plant and machinery, 1,25,000, and then we add depreciation in net profit because it is non-cash adjustment. So we add on.
Very good. Non-cash expenditure, and we want cash profit. Okay, so we will add back depreciation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Machinery, old machinery. We don't have to take 50,000.
Why?
So because it is we only take written down value. It is
Why?
cost price.
Why? Because accumulated depreciation account is not
open.
Mistake number 3. No reason. Okay. Logical reason दिया नहीं. You know the reason, but you don't want to give the answer. Correct? Accumulated depreciation is not opened. Therefore, WDV is useful. क्या लिखेंगे अभी?
By cash.
How much?
That is sale. 35,000.
And
from where we get profit to profit 15,000.
Very good. Yeah. Logic नहीं आया बराबर ना? By cash to profit. Where to give second effect of by
then
cash?
The profit is minus from the the
first adjustment or second adjustment?
First adjustment.
First adjustment. Why it is deducted?
Because it is non-cash.
Non-cash नहीं, non-operating
non-cash.
item.
Non-operating
This is
activity.
related non-operating. We don't want other than operating profit. Loss or profit on sale of asset is not operating item. It is investing item.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we deducted.
Deducted from the.
यहाँ पे मेरे इसमें गलत हो गया है, तो ये मैं थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट करके देता हूँ भाई सबको. So negative 15,000, correct?
Yes, sir.
And where to write 35,000?
Investing activities.
Plant and
plus
machinery sold.
Plant and machinery sold.
Now, rupees 50,000 was paid towards income tax.
Income tax account. And firstly, we make the balance sheet.
No, income tax account mein what you are going to do? What you are going to write?
Income tax, by payable to payable.
वो तो लिखा ना बेटा ऑलरेडी. व्हाट अबाउट 50,000? वो ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है. हाँ,
टू कैश.
टू कैश. ये भी
paid.
मिस्टेक ही हुआ यहाँ पे.
It is paid
Mistake 4.
and
To cash.
to cash.
Where to give second effect?
In the end of the operating activity.
हाँ, separate line item. Income tax paid 50,000 in format. हाँ. Now what is the next process?
It is, and the balancing figure is P&L account.
No,
80,000.
line by line, no, line by line. Dividend. What is the balancing figure?
Balancing figure is 1 lakh. To
To
cash.
cash. To cash is the balancing figure. What I am going to write? 1 lakh ka second effect.
In financing activity. Outflow of cash, it is minus 1 lakh dividend.
Dividend paid. Next. Income tax. What is the balancing figure?
By a P&L account. 80,000, and it is plus from the
operating activity because it has a separate line item. Income tax, we write it on the end, no? So we are having separate line item, therefore we add back it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Next,
plant and machinery.
Plant and machinery.
To cash.
To cash additional, it is purchase of land and
investing activity. Outflow.
Outflow of cash, 3,45,000.
And then you will calculate this. Operating profit before working capital changes, you will get 2,80,000. 40, 40 plus 125, 80 minus 15. Yes, 280 minus 120 minus 200 plus 200 plus 160, 3,20,000 minus 50. Something is wrong. 280 minus 120 minus 200 plus 200. So 160 I will get over here, and from 160 minus 50 I will get 1,10,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Easy था बेटा?
Yes, sir.
2 बार किया हमने. And first what you will write? Proforma. Correct, beta. Diksha, very well answered. Be confident while answering. See how to do the revision. देखो बेटा, एक बार मैं आपको रिवीजन करवा के देता हूँ. Third time of same question. First I will read the question. I will write last year and current year. Then I will write liability increase, asset decrease, inflow, liability decrease, asset increase, outflow. Every question के ऊपर ये लिखना है. ठीक है? Then start from the first I will write the pro forma. Pro forma में लिख लूंगा cash flow from statement. cash flow from the operating activity, retained earnings, adjustments. After 5 lines, operating profit before working capital changes. After 5 lines, adjustments, again cash generated from operations, less income tax paid, net cash flow from operating activity, be net cash flow from investing activity. After 6 lines, net cash flow from financing activity, net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent at the beginning and cash and cash equivalent at the end. उसके बाद working note 1 dividend, working note 2 income tax and working note 3 plant and machinery. Okay. उसके बाद फिर मैं 1 by 1 लिखूंगा. शेयर कैपिटल, नो एडजस्टमेंट. इश्यू ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल 2 lakhs. रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस नीचे देखूंगा. रिटेन अर्निंग्स 40,000 एंड ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम जनरल रिजर्व अप्रोप्रिएशन 50,000. ये मैंने अप्रोप्रिएशन का लिख दिया. ओके. आफ्टर दैट नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी 2 lakhs. लॉन्ग टर्म डेट है ये. तो इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स 2 lakhs. नो इंटरेस्ट बिकॉज इट इज इश्यूड एट द एंड. ट्रेड पेएबल कहां पे लिखूंगा? Working cap adjustment number 2, decrease in the trade payable 1,20,000. Then other current liability account, by payable 1 lakh, to payable 0, जहां पे आपने मिस्टेक किया था. Income tax also by payable 70,000, to payable 1 lakh. Property, plant and equipment account, to balance brought down, by balance carried down. To balance brought down 5 lakhs, by balance carried down 7 lakhs. Land and building directly no depreciation, so directly you can write it. સાંભળો ચેન્જીસ કર્યા છે નહીં. એક એક ક્વેશ્ચન ના રોજ કર, એક સાથે नको કરો. જેટલું મારું લેક્ચર થશે તેવું કર. હા. देन ट्रेड पेएबल, अदर करंट लायबिलिटी के बाद सॉरी किधर थे? हाँ, ट्रेड इन्वेंटरी सॉरी नॉन करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट. नॉन करंट लायबिलिटी इन्वेस्टमेंट आउटफ्लो 1 lakh. इन्वेंटरी माइनस 2 lakhs. वर्किंग कैपिटल एडजस्टमेंट में सेकंड एडजस्टमेंट, ट्रेड रिसीवेबल पॉजिटिव, इंक्रीज इन ट्रेड रिसीवेबल सॉरी डिक्रीज इन ट्रेड रिसीवेबल 2 lakhs. कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट सी में लिखूंगा 2 lakhs, डी में लिखूंगा 0 एंड डिक्रीज डी में लिखूंगा डिक्रीज माइनस 2 lakhs. एडजस्टमेंट हैज 2 इफेक्ट्स. depreciation first effect, by depreciation second effect, first adjustment में add back depreciation. Then at the end of old machine WDV, by cash 35,000 इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में लिख दूंगा एंड 15,000 आई विल राइट इट इन दी टू प्रॉफिट अकाउंट में एंड सेकंड इफेक्ट आई विल गिव इट इन दी फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट निगेटिव फिगर 15,000. इनकम टैक्स पेड सेपरेट लाइन आइटम टू कैश लिखूंगा 50,000 एंड सेपरेट लाइन ऊपर ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में माइनस 50,000. एंड देन बेटा प्रॉब्लम इज ओवर. देन आई विल क्लोज अकाउंट्स एंड विल गिव इफेक्ट्स एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल गेट द आंसर. ये आपकी रिवीजन होती है विच इज हार्डली टेक 5 minutes टू डू द रिवीजन. आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
चलो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑफ TYK 10 एंड डू इट इन फेयर इन टुडेज होमवर्क. समझा? एंड प्लीज बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर everyone will answer, or please do this proper revision. You can watch the session one more time, पर confidently बोलना सीखिए. बोलोगे तो सीखोगे. तो लेक्चर में आके बोलना है आपको. एंड दीक्षा वेरी वेल आंसर्ड बेटा, वेरी वेल आंसर्ड. आपको क्या लग रहा है? आप में इंप्रूवमेंट लग रहा है?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm lacking confidence, but
वो हो
I
जाएगा
think
बेटा. यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. वो टेंशन नहीं. आपने बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया, बिलीव मी. स्क्रीनशॉट 2.
yes, sir, done.
योर अकाउंट्स आर 100% क्लियर. थोड़ा बहुत होगा ना बेटा. योर फर्स्ट टाइम आंसरिंग तो होगा ही ना. हैव यू डन दिस चैप्टर
Yes, sir.
बिफोर?
In BCom.
क्या फर्क लगा बीकॉम और आज के टीचिंग में?
सर इन बीकॉम हम सिर्फ कर रहे थे, क्यों कर रहे थे, कैसे कर रहे थे वो नहीं पता था. बस हमें टीचर्स बताते थे कि इसको ऐसे करते हैं. बट इन हेयर वी नीड टू, मतलब बहुत क्लैरिटी दिख गई कि क्यों करते हैं हम ये सब. जैसे कि हम ऐड बैक करते हैं प्रॉफिट्स को, क्यों करते हैं ये रीजन नहीं पता था मुझे. नाउ आई गॉट इट.
वेरी गुड बेटा. थोड़ा बहुत
done.
बता लेता हूँ ना बेटा मैं.
यस सर.
कुछ कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी दे देता हूँ ना थोड़ी बहुत.
सर बहुत देते हो सर. मैं आई एम वेरी ग्लैड.
अच्छा, मुझे लगा थोड़ा ही देता हूँ.
नो
चलो कोई
सर.
बात नहीं. सी बेटा, वी शिफ्टेड, आपको एक बार समझ के लेना है. वी शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम एक्रूड प्रॉफिट. सी ये कौन सा प्रॉफिट था? 40,000 एंड 50,000, 90,000 is the accrued profit, and from accrued profit we shifted to cash operating profit. ये 1,10,000 क्या है?
Cash operating profit.
कैश ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट क्या है ये?
Cash operating profit.
और कैश ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट को पहुंचने के दो तरीके हैं. वन इज बाय डूइंग एडजस्टमेंट्स ऑफ P&L एंड वन बाय डूइंग वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस. एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ P&L में कौन से हमने देखे? डेप्रिसिएशन. डेप्रिसिएशन ने स्टार्टिंग में क्या किया था? डेप्रिसिएशन
Decrease की थी profit.
डिक्रीजेस आवर प्रॉफिट. तो हमें वो एडबैक क्यों करना है?
To increase the profit to get the non
इनकम टैक्स. इनकम टैक्स ने हमारा प्रॉफिट क्या किया था?
decrease.
डिक्रीज. तो नाउ वी विल
Add.
एड बैक इट. क्यों एड बैक किया? बिकॉज इनकम टैक्स हैज अ सेपरेट लाइन आइटम. नीचे इनकम टैक्स पे अलग से लिखा हुआ है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. एंड गेन ऑन सेल ऑफ प्लांट एंड मशीनरी.
It increased the profit, but it is non-operating activity.
नॉन ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी.
Activity.
तो यू कैन राइट रीजंस इफ यू वांट. हाँ, एग्जाम में मत लिखियो, पर यहां पे समझने के लिए लिखो स्टार्टिंग में. ओके, बिकॉज सेम एडजस्टमेंट विल बी देयर आफ्टर 2-3 क्वेश्चंस. Okay, so then you will get operating profit before working capital
Before
changes.
capital.
And after that, वो adjustments करोगे तो you'll get cash generated from operation. Now logic is very clear.
Yes, sir.
And this is called as direct method or indirect method?
Indirect method.
Indirect method, because you started from net profit. Net profit से elimination round किया. तो आपका journey क्या था? You started with
Net profit.
retained earnings or net
Retained
profit.
earnings.
Okay, retained earnings से what you calculated?
Total
accrued
profit.
operating profit.
Profit.
क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Accrued operating
profit. और फिर आपने क्या किया?
Cash operating
profit. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एलिमिनेशन राउंड. ओके, और इसको क्या बोलते हैं? वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस. ये है रिवर्स मेथड. एंड रिवर्स मेथड है इसलिए इनडायरेक्ट मेथड है. वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम नेट प्रॉफिट एंड वी आर मूविंग टू कैश ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट इनडायरेक्टली.
Okay,
ये उसका लॉजिक है. फर्स्ट राउंड इज
eliminated.
हाँ, एलिमिनेशन में आपने अभी ये क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या एलिमिनेट किया?
Depreciation.
डेप्रिसिएशन. क्यों एलिमिनेट
profit.
किया?
क्योंकि नॉन कैश
नंबर 1 एड बैक किया ना?
add back.
हाँ, एड बैक. नंबर 2 एड
Profit.
बैक इनकम टैक्स.
back.
क्यों?
Add back it because it is separate line item.
सेपरेट लाइन
Income tax
आइटम है.
paid.
एंड तीसरा गेन
Gain.
ऑन सेल
Non-operating.
ऑफ एसेट.
Non.
नॉन ऑपरेटिंग. एंड प्रॉफिट होता तो लॉस होता तो एड.
Plus.
ओके, नॉन ऑपरेटिंग. करेक्ट. वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस में करंट एसेट इंक्रीजेस, करंट लायबिलिटी डिक्रीजेस, तो आउटफ्लो. एंड करंट एसेट डिक्रीजेस, करंट लायबिलिटी इंक्रीजेस, इनफ्लो. वेरी गुड. और ये कहां पे लिखोगे बेटा? कॉन्सेप्ट बुक में. कॉन्सेप्ट बुक में थोड़े लेजर्स के लिए जगह छोड़ दो. लीव सम स्पेस फॉर और 5-6 लेजर्स आएंगे उसमें. एंड देन यू कैन राइट दिस. कॉन्सेप्ट बुक बनाया ना आपने?
Yes, sir.
दिस इज कॉल्ड एज विच मेथड?
Indirect method.
इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. लिखो ये इनडायरेक्ट मेथड ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी. इनडायरेक्ट मेथड ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी. इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी और फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी को देयर इज नो डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट मेथड.
Same.
एलिमिनेशन राउंड बहुत बड़ा है, तो एलिमिनेशन राउंड के लिए जगह छोड़ेंगे हम लोग बाद में. ये तीनों आइटम कौन से टीवाई के में मिले बेटा हमें? टीवाई के 10.
TY के 10.
TY के 10 में मिल गए ये तीनों आइटम्स. तो यू कैन गिव रेफरेंस ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट. एकदम सिस्टमैटिक स्टडी करो बेटा, मतलब कभी जिंदगी में भूलोगे नहीं. फ्रॉम कॉन्सेप्ट, फ्रॉम इलस्ट्रेशन टू कॉन्सेप्ट. इस बार हमने थोड़ा उल्टा किया. फ्रॉम इलस्ट्रेशन टू कॉन्सेप्ट. एंड वी हैव रिवाइज्ड इट टू.
Yes, sir.
ब्रेक भी पूछते ही नहीं हो बेटा आप लोग. थकते नहीं हो?
No, sir.
हाँ,
No, sir.
अच्छा लगता है.
You made so interested that we don't want break.
अच्छा अच्छा, चलो अभी हम लोग क्वेश्चंस लेते हैं. वॉट एवर क्वेश्चंस यू आर हैविंग, इफ यू आर नॉट clear with any question answer, please ask me. Okay, raise your hand, other students, otherwise remove your hand. If you have a single doubt, you can ask me. Or please attend session till last minute. Do not skip the session. If you have any doubt related to any account, you can ask me. आपका doubt मैं अब भी clear करूंगा. If you move further and if you ask me your doubts, it is not going to help you out. So whatever doubts you are having, you can ask me now. Yes, Lohit.
Sir, I had a doubt regarding debtors. Oh, balancing figure, yeah, cash, whatever it is there, it is only after the balancing figure, no, sir. जो debtors,
हाँ, then debtors account you will open, and similarly अभी कैसा आपने किया, now you open that fixed asset account and you got the balancing figure to cash. Similarly you will get it in the debtors account. We will do that, don't worry.
okay.
Okay, debtors account we have to open, but when it is, we are going to open that account only if what is given in the question.
Debtors account will be open only if there is,
Profit and loss is given in the question, otherwise you don't have figure of sales, no.
oh, yeah, yeah.
Now we have not opened that debtors account. Why?
No, we were going back from profits to operating.
So indirect method you are following here,
And,
because P&L is not given. If P&L is there, then you can use the debtors account. Okay.
thank you. Yes.
Yes, very good. Next, Sushmita. Whatever silly doubts you can ask me. Don't worry. Huh.
Yes, sir. So in expense account, no, when we were doing the format, there I had little bit confusion on the balancing figures in that. So by PNL, we are putting it as a balancing figure, and also to cash is also a balancing figure.
The balancing figure depends on the question. Now see here in the
Okay.
question, 2 cash is given. So what is the balancing figure?
By PNL.
Sometimes P&L is given. So 2 cash is the balancing figure.
Okay.
And if nothing is given, wait, very good question, Sushmita. If nothing is given, so by payable means last year, correct?
Yes.
To
Sir.
payable means current year, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if nothing is given, so you will pay last year, that will be 2 cash. And you will accrue current year, so that will be by P&L. Okay, if nothing is given.
Okay.
In dividend account, nothing is given. So what we assumed, last year payable to cash, and by P&L will be 0 because to payable is 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good question. So and balancing figure, it depends on question. It might be to cash, it might be by P&L.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Yes,
And if
sir.
nothing
And
is given, what you are going to do?
depending on this thing, if we get to cash, then it is payment of.
No. If
Last
nothing
year.
is given, what is to cash and by P&L? Then last year you will write to cash. By payable you will write to cash, same amount. And current year to payable you will write by P&L.
Okay, sir.
I explained it, no, Sushmita, just
Yes,
now.
And I have one question regarding the previous chapter. Should I take it up at the end or?
No. We'll do it later on.
Okay.
You understood now? Nothing is given, then
Yes,
what
sir.
to do? Not yet.
No, sir, I am not understanding.
Sushmita, if suppose in question, if it is given 50,000 and to payable it is given 70,000 and nothing is mentioned. Suppose this is
Okay.
income tax account.
Yes, sir.
So what you are going to do if nothing is given in the additional information? So by payable, this amount you will write it as to cash.
Okay.
And to payable, you will write it as by P&L. Now where to give to cash ka effect?
In the
Operating activity below that income tax paid, correct?
yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
70,000 you will add back it in the return earnings.
Yes, sir. Because there is a separate line item. Okay,
Ha.
sir.
If nothing is mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So by payable you will write like to cash and to payable you write by P&L.
By PNL. Yes, sir.
Nisha.
Sir, in asset account, sir, why we have to pay? What is accumulated depreciation? That concept I am not understanding.
देखो बेटा accumulated depreciation हिंदी में समझ में आएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
देखो accumulated depreciation account जो होता है ना निशा, वो होता है आपका जब ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट दिया होगा क्वेश्चन में और एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट दिया रहता है, तो एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन का काम क्या है? एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन ये एसेट को ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट पे बताता है. क्यों ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट पे बताता है? जैसे कि मैंने पिछले एग्जांपल में दिया था कि एसेट मैंने 100 रुपए का लिया, पहले साल का डेप्रिसिएशन 10 है, दूसरे साल का 10 है, तीसरे साल का 10 है, तो एसेट कितने पे दिखेगा?
70.
70. बट आप यदि बैलेंस शीट देखते हो और बैलेंस शीट को देख के 70 रुपीज, आपके मन में ये नहीं आएगा क्या कि इसकी ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? आएगा या नहीं आएगा जब आप बैलेंस शीट पढ़ते हो तब?
सर
मैंने
आएगा.
हाँ, तो मैंने सिर्फ बैलेंस शीट में एसेट 70 दिखाया तो चलेगा क्या? चलता है, मतलब नो डाउट, पर उससे ज्यादा मोर पिक्चर क्लैरिटी नहीं होता है. वही मैंने सपोज एसेट 100 पे बताया और आज तक का डेप्रिसिएशन कितना था?
सर 70.
हाँ, आज तक का
सर
डेप्रिसिएशन
30.
30. बेटा मैं कभी कभी मैथ्स के लिए ना मुझे टेंशन आता है कि आप लोग कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हो. तो एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन आज तक का था 30. आया समझ में? तो
Yes,
अभी मैंने ये अकाउंट टेम्पररी ओपन किया. अच्छा, तो मेरे पीएनएल में तो बेटा डेप्रिसिएशन 10 रुपए ही जाएगा. पीएनएल में कितना डेप्रिसिएशन जाएगा एवरी ईयर? 10 रुपीज. पर मैं एसेट को क्रेडिट ना करते हुए एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट को क्रेडिट करूंगा. अभी समझा?
तो
नहीं
सर इसका मतलब हमारा मतलब क्या बेनिफिट हुआ सर? मतलब हमने क्यों ओपन किया
आपको क्या
सर?
बेनिफिट हुआ ये अकाउंट का? डेप्रिसिएशन टू एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन, इससे क्या हुआ? यदि आपने एसेट को क्रेडिट किया होता तो एसेट कम 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 दिखता था,
यस सर.
पर आपको एसेट ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट पे दिखाना है. आप रीडर को बोल रहे हो, देखो हम लोग आपको ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट बताना चाहते हैं, तो ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट बताना चाहते तो आप एसेट को 100 ही रखोगे.
नहीं नहीं सर, वो डिक्रीज होगी, इस पे हम डेप्रिसिएशन.
अरे वही तो नहीं करना है, वही तो मैं बता रहा हूं ना. अपन एसेट लोगों को बता रहे हैं ना, ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट 100 ही रखना है अपने को. तो 100
ओके.
रुपए रखना होगा, तो डेप्रिसिएशन तो एसेट एंट्री कर सकते हैं क्या?
यस सर.
आप समझ ही नहीं पा रहे हो बेटा. शांत हो जाइए, मैं जो बोल रहा हूं उसके ऊपर फोकस कीजिए. 2 मिनट शांत हो जाइए निशा. यू नो एवरीथिंग, खुद के ऊपर बिलीव रखिए.
यस
हाँ
सर.
सुनो, अभी मैं जो बोल रहा हूं, मुझे एसेट 100 पे ही बताना है, तो मैं डेप्रिसिएशन टू एसेट एंट्री कर सकता हूं क्या?
सर नो.
नहीं. क्यों नहीं कर सकता हूं? यदि मैंने एसेट को क्रेडिट किया तो मेरी एसेट कम 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 होती जाएगी.
ओके.
ओके, तो अभी मैं एसेट को क्रेडिट नहीं कर सकता हूं, इसलिए मैंने टेम्पररी अकाउंट कौन सा खोला?
एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन.
हाँ, जिसका नाम है एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन या प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन. अभी
ओके.
एसेट कितने पे दिखेगा?
सर अभी एसेट हमारा 70 पर दिखेगा क्योंकि 100.
अरे बेटा एसेट 100 रुपए से क्रेडिट ही नहीं किया हमने, 10-10 रुपए से, तो एसेट 100 पे ही दिखेगा ना बेटा हमारा.
सर अभी कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं थोड़ा तो.
अरे बेटा तुम, ठीक है, ऑप्शन 1 क्या है? आप एंट्री करो डेप्रिसिएशन टू एसेट, ईयर 1 2 3 10 रुपीज, ₹10 ₹10। तो एसेट में कितना बैलेंस दिखेगा आपका? एसेट खरीदा था तब कितने का था?
सर
100।
100
और क्रेडिट किया 10 तो एसेट का बैलेंस कितना दिखा? अरे बेटा, एसेट में से
सर
10 रुपया गया, 10 रुपया गया, 10 रुपया
70
गया, 3 साल का, तो कितना
70
दिखेगा एसेट का बैलेंस?
70
70। अभी ऑप्शन 2 क्या है? आपको एसेट को 100 पे दिखाना है, तो आपने एंट्री डेप्रिसिएशन टू एसेट मार सकते हो क्या फिर?
सर नहीं,
नहीं,
सर
वही तो मैं बता
एक्यूमुलेटेड
रहा हूं ना।
एप्रिसिएशन करेंगे।
हाँ, डेप्रिसिएशन 10 टू प्रोविजन 10, 10 10 10 10। तो अभी आपका एसेट कितने का दिखेगा?
सर अभी तो हमारा एसेट 100 का ही दिखेगा
हाँ,
क्योंकि
100 का दिखेगा। और प्रोविजन में कितना बैलेंस दिखेगा?
सर 30।
वेरी गुड। इसी को बोलते हैं एक्यूमुलेट। एक्यूमुलेट मतलब इकट्ठा होना। कितना इकट्ठा हुआ डेप्रिसिएशन हर साल का मिला मिला के?
30 हुआ।
हाँ, और ये क्रेडिट बैलेंस बताएगा।
ओके सर।
तो एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन का फायदा ये होता है कि एसेट ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट पे दिखता है।
ओके सर।
और इसका प्रोफॉर्मा जो मैंने लिख के दिया, तो एसेट आपका टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन, एंड एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन का ब्रॉट डाउन क्रेडिट, कैरिड डाउन डेबिट में। आया समझ में?
यस सर।
और डेप्रिसिएशन कहां पे रिकॉर्ड करना है, एसेट में या एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन में?
सर सर पहले हम एक्यूमुलेटेड,
हम्म।
सर एसेट हमारा एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन में होगा टू
नहीं नहीं
एसेट।
नहीं नहीं, एसेट नहीं, डेप्रिसिएशन जाएगा ना। एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन में एसेट थोड़ी जाता है।
तो सर एसेट में जाएगा बाय एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन।
वेट वेट वेट, 2 मिनट रुको तो सही। तो डेप्रिसिएशन, पहले डेप्रिसिएशन कितना गया? एवरी ईयर
सर
10 10
10।
10, ऐसा एवरी ईयर 10 से एंट्री होगा, करेक्ट?
यस सर।
अभी जब एसेट बेचने के लिए लोगे, बेचने के लिए 4th ईयर में आपने बेचा, तो आज तक इसका डिप्रिसिएशन कितना हुआ था?
सर 30 हुआ था।
हाँ, तो टू एसेट को 30 डाल देंगे, और यहां पे बाय एक्यूमुलेटेड डिप्रिसिएशन 30। तो एसेट अभी कितने की दिखेगी जब बेचने जाओगे तब?
सर ओरिजिनल पर ही दिखेगी हमारी 100 की।
और अभी किया ना कैंसल?
यस
कितना कैंसल किया? ये कैंसल करना पड़ेगा ना जब बेचने जाओगे तो।
सर 30 का हमने कैंसिल
तो
किया।
कितना बचेगा एसेट में?
सर 70 बचेगा लेकिन
70
हम
बचेगा। अभी 75 में बेचा, तो बाय कैश 75, तो प्रॉफिट दिखेगा ₹5। समझा?
यस सर।
हाँ, तो एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन का फायदा क्या होता है कि एसेट को आप ₹100 पे ही बताते हो, और ये ₹100 से कैंसल कब करोगे? ₹100 कम कब करोगे?
सर जब हम पहले एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन को इकट्ठा करेंगे फिर उसको सेल करेंगे तो
तब
फिर
कैंसल करेंगे। जब तक सेल नहीं
उसको।
करते हो तो एसेट 100 पे दिखेगा।
ओके।
ये इसका फायदा है। अभी क्लियर हुआ निशा?
यस सर।
हाँ, शांति से पढ़ो बेटा कॉन्सेप्ट, एकदम पैनिक मोड में मत आइए। आप है ना सब जानती हो, पर ऐसा पहले ही बोलते हो मुझे नहीं समझा। और सबसे बुरी बात सीए कोर्स में क्या है पता है क्या? गिव अप कर देना, नहीं समझा बोल के। आपको सब और एकदम गड़बड़ इतना नहीं रहना चाहिए। स्लोली स्लोली कॉन्सेप्ट को समझ लो।
ओके।
समझा अभी कॉन्सेप्ट?
यस सर।
तो एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन एसेट को ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट पे बताने के लिए करते हैं। आशुतोष बोलिए, बोलिए। आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
सर मैं ये जानना चाह रहा था कि जो आपने पहले इनकम
हेडफोन
टैक्स
निकाल
ऐड
दीजिए,
किया
हेडफोन
फिर इनकम
निकाल
टैक्स
दीजिए,
लेस किया।
हेडफोन निकाल दीजिए।
सर हेडफोन निकाल के ही बात कर रहा हूँ। अभी
आवाज
भी
नहीं
नहीं
आ
आ रही
रही।
सर।
नहीं, बराबर नहीं आ रही, बोलो।
सर मैं बोल रहा था कि जो आपने इनकम टैक्स पहले ऐड किया फिर लेस किया, अगर हम नेट फिगर दिखाएं तो क्या दिक्कत है?
हाँ,
अगर मैं
यदि नेट
इनकम
फिगर
टैक्स
नहीं
पहले
नहीं नहीं
ऐड ना
नहीं,
करूं और
अलाउड नहीं है, अलाउड नहीं है। जितना पेड किया वो सेपरेटली दिखाना चाहिए, जितना एक्रू किया उतना एडबैक करना चाहिए।
अच्छा अच्छा। और सर
ओके।
जो आपने बोला था कि जो 1,10,000 जो आया है वो कैश कैश प्रॉफिट है फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन एक्टिविटी, तो वो आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे कि वो सही है या गलत है?
वो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं होगा, वो फाइनल आंसर देखना पड़ेगा। वो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं हो
फाइनल
पाएगा
आंसर। और
लास्ट में
सर,
टैली हुआ तो।
हाँ, क्योंकि सर ये जो है इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में जो आंसर आया था वो माइनस में आया था, तो माइनस में कैश कैसे हो सकता है? कैश माइनस
नहीं
में
नहीं,
नहीं
वो
हो सकता,
हो
जब
सकता है
जितना
ना
आपके पास
माइनस
है आप
में।
उतना ही।
वो इधर से
सर,
लाके कैश उधर यूज किया, या पहले से जो कैश था वो यूज कर लिया।
सर, सर,
इन्वेस्टमेंट करके
सर,
मैं
जो
लॉस में।
आपके पास कैश रहेगा,
हम्म,
सर, जो जितना आपके पास कैश होगा सर उतना ही आप स्पेंड कर सकते हैं। आप
तो मैं
एक्स्ट्रा
कैश
कैसे
ऐसे बाइफरकेट
स्पेंड
थोड़ी
कर रहे हैं?
करके रखता हूँ। ये इसका कैश है, उसका कैश, कैश तो घर पे पूरा लेके जाता हूँ। रेंट से आने दो, ऑपरेटिंग
लेकिन
एक्टिविटीज है,
सर
ऐसा कैश को मैं अलग
ले,
करके रखता
ले,
हूँ क्या?
लेकिन सर जो मतलब कि जितना आपके पास नहीं है उससे ज्यादा आप कैसे मतलब कर
अरे
पाएंगे?
मेरे को
जैसे कि
अभी
इतना
आप ही
माइनस में।
बताओ, सुनो सुनो सुनो। मुझे प्रोफेशनल फीस मिले लाख रुपए
सर,
की। अब भी मैं लाख रुपए लेके आया, किसी क्लाइंट
ओके।
ने मुझे लाख रुपए दिया, और
हाँ।
जाके मैंने 80,000 का मशीनरी खरीदा। तो 80,000 का मैंने बेचा कुछ भी नहीं है, 80,000 का मैंने मशीनरी खरीदा। तो 80,000 मेरा आउटफ्लो दिखेगा और 1 लाख मेरा इनफ्लो दिखेगा ना ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में। तो अब इन्वेस्टिंग
सर
एक्टिविटी तो निगेटिव
सर
में
वही तो
दिखेगा
मैं।
मेरा। मैं थोड़ी कैश ऐसे बाइफरकेट
हाँ,
करके
ओके।
रखता हूँ। कैश
अच्छा,
आया
अच्छा।
और तुरंत मैंने एक मशीनरी खरीद लिया, एक कंप्यूटर खरीद लिया। कंप्यूटर खरीदना इन्वेस्टिंग में आएगा, और क्लाइंट से मिलना इन ऑपरेटिंग में आएगा।
ओके सर, अलग अलग सेपरेट सेपरेट नहीं चेक करेंगे, एक साथ चेक करेंगे।
हाँ, कैश तो लास्ट में, कोई मेरे पास पिछले साल का कैश है वो यूज कर लूंगा कभी कभी, तो मेरा निगेटिव कैश फ्लो दिखेगा। ये साल में मैंने कुछ
और
कैश नहीं
सर
यूज
अगला
किया,
ये
पिछले साल का यूज किया।
और सर अगला ये क्वेश्चन था कि जो डिक्रीज इन ट्रेड ट्रेड पेबल आउटफ्लो मतलब कैसे हुआ सर?
डिक्रीज इन ट्रेड पेबल, आपके क्रेडिटर्स को आप कम किए, मतलब आपके पहले क्रेडिटर्स थे 100 रुपए, अभी आपके दिख रहे 30 रुपए, तो आपने उनको पे
हाँ,
किया या उनसे रिसीव किया?
पे किया।
पे किया ना, इसलिए तो क्रेडिटर्स कम हो गए। और क्रेडिटर्स बढ़ गए तो आप क्रेडिटर्स को बोलोगे मैं बाद में देता हूं, बाद में देता हूं, तो वो आपका इनफ्लो हो जाएगा बाद में, अब भी के लिए इनफ्लो हो जाएगा। ये क्वेश्चन अच्छा था, ये बहुत सही क्वेश्चन था। क्रेडिटर्स का
लेकिन सर
क्रेडिटर्स बढ़ गए।
एक्चुअल में क्या तो।
क्रेडिटर्स बढ़
हाँ।
गए, इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा आशुतोष? आज मेरे क्रेडिटर्स बढ़ गए, मतलब आज मुझे पेमेंट नहीं करना है,
हाँ।
पेमेंट मुझे फ्यूचर में करना है। तो मैं आज का कैश फ्लो निकाल रहा हूं, आज तो मैंने
हाँ।
पैसा बचा लिया ना। आज मेरा आउटफ्लो नहीं
अच्छा,
होगा,
आए
फ्यूचर में
पैसे आए
आउटफ्लो
नहीं
होगा।
लेकिन हमने पैसा चाह लिया। लेकिन सर पैसे तो आए नहीं ना, मतलब
भाई साहब
इनफ्लो
आप
कैसे होगा
लोग,
सर?
आउटफ्लो नहीं बेट भाई साहब, जब वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस निकालोगे नहीं, तो आपका पेमेंट, आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप डायरेक्ट मेथड और इनडायरेक्ट मेथड को दोनों को एक ही साथ कर रहे हो। डायरेक्ट मेथड में क्या होता है, डायरेक्ट मेथड में टू कैश पे ऊपर फोकस करते हो। इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में बाय परचेसेस, बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन और टू बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन, इसके ऊपर फोकस होता है। ओके, तो
जी।
बाय परचेसेस तो ऑलरेडी नेट प्रॉफिट में इंक्लूड है। अभी बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन और टू बैलेंस
और
क्रेडिट डाउन का इफेक्ट आपको लेना है, ये ध्यान में रखो, आप रियल कैश फ्लो पे मत जाओ। अभी आप
नहीं
लॉजिकली
सर, वो
सोचो।
जैसे
सुनो ना, आप सोचने को तो दो
सर जैसा
आशुतोष।
अभी आपने
ठीक, आप बोल दो फिर मैं बोलता हूं।
सर जैसे आपने किया था। हेलो, हेलो।
कुछ भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है आशुतोष जी आपका।
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि जो क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट है उसमें जो आपने बाई परचेज लिखा हुआ है वो बाई परचेज कैश फ्लो में तो कहीं दिखता।
मैं आपको बताने की कोशिश कर रहा था, पर आप सुनने की कोशिश ही नहीं कर रहे हो, आपके दिमाग में एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट रखा हुआ है। वो पहले मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा, आप समझने की कोशिश करो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं। पहले मैं निकालता हूं वो कॉन्सेप्ट, आपके दिमाग में गलत कॉन्सेप्ट आ रही है, पर आप, मैं बोल रहा हूं उसके ऊपर फोकस करो। देखो मैंने
ओके
सौ
सर,
रुपए का
बताइए सर।
पर्च सुनिए अभी, मैंने 100 रुपए का परचेस किया, ठीक है, मैं आपको अकाउंट
हम्म,
बता रहा हूं।
हम्म,
100 रुपए का आपने परचेस किया, आपका ओपनिंग बैलेंस 20 रुपया है, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस 30 रुपया है।
हम्म,
तो 120 का परचेस
हम्म,
करके, मतलब पिछले साल का 20 100 और 30 रुपया आपका जो बचा हुआ है, तो 90 रुपीज आपने पेमेंट किया है। अभी डायरेक्ट
हम्म,
मेथड होगा तो टू कैश 90 होगा डायरेक्ट मेथड में। इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में नेट प्रॉफिट में
ओके सर।
ऑलरेडी 100 है, एंड 20 रुपया
हम्म,
और 30 रुपए का डिफरेंस हमें लेना है। और मेरे डेटर्स, ये इधर क्रेडिटर्स मेरे बढ़ रहे हैं। अभी यदि मेरे क्रेडिटर्स बढ़
हम्म,
रहे हैं, तो ये मेरा एक्सपेंडिचर ऑलरेडी नेट प्रॉफिट में दिख रहा है, और इंक्रीज इन क्रेडिटर्स बाय 10 मतलब मैं मेरा पेमेंट पोस्टपोन कर रहा हूं, मैं फ्यूचर में पेमेंट करने वाला हूं।
हम्म,
तो ये 10 रुपीज मेरा इनफ्लो कहलाया जाएगा, 100 आउटफ्लो एंड 10 इनफ्लो, तो 90 ही मेरा दिखने वाला है। डायरेक्ट मेथड में
ओके।
डायरेक्ट मेथड में मेरा -90 दिखेगा, इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में भी -90 दिखेगा, पर मुझे ये वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस करके दिखाना पड़ता है। अभी वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस का मीनिंग ये होता है कि मेरा पहले क्रेडिटर्स 20 था और अभी मेरा क्रेडिटर्स 30 है, मतलब मेरा क्रेडिटर्स बढ़ रहा है। मेरा क्रेडिटर्स बढ़ रहा है मतलब आज पेमेंट नहीं किया मैंने, आज पेमेंट नहीं किया तो 10
हम्म,
मेरा इनफ्लो दिखेगा। ये उसका अनदर लॉजिक है। अभी समझ में आया क्या
हम्म,
आशुतोष जी आपको?
जी सर।
90 ही दिखेगा, पर इनडायरेक्टली 90 दिखेगा। खर्चा 100 रुपया दिखेगा, एंड इंक्रीज इन क्रेडिटर्स बाद में पेमेंट करना है, इसलिए इनफ्लो लिखना है। और इनफ्लो 10 लिखा, तो -100 प्लस 10 90 निगेटिव मेरा कैश फ्लो दिखेगा। तो इंक्रीज इन क्रेडिटर्स का मीनिंग आप ऐसा ले सकते हो कि मेरा क्रेडिटर्स मैं बाद में पे करने वाला हूं, तो आज मेरा क्रेडिटर्स 10 रुपया बच
हम्म,
गया। ये उसका मीनिंग है। ओके।
ओके सर।
हाँ,
ओके
तो
सर।
वो दिमाग में रखिए। इंक्रीज इन डेटर्स का मीनिंग क्या होगा? डेटर्स ने मुझे आज पेमेंट नहीं किया, आज पेमेंट नहीं किया, इसका मतलब इंक्रीज इन डेटर्स मेरा आउटफ्लो हुआ। डेटर्स आज ही करने चाहिए थे पर उन्होंने नहीं किया, वो उसका मीनिंग है। और डायरेक्ट मेथड में हम लोग टू कैश पे इफेक्ट पे
और
ध्यान
सर,
दें। ओके।
और सर
आशुतोष जी प्लीज, एक रिक्वेस्ट है आपको कि आपका माइक बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं कर रहा है, बीच में से आवाज आ रहा है, बीच में से जा रहा है, तो आप दूसरे कोई इक्विपमेंट से ज्वाइन कीजिए।
सर अभी आ रही है सर?
नहीं आ रहा है बहुत। प्रीति, आपको आवाज आ रहा है क्या इनका? आर यू एबल टू हियर हिम? प्रीति का खुद का ही प्रॉब्लम है। यस संदीप।
Hello.
हाँ प्रीति, आर यू एबल टू हियर
No,
आशुतोष वॉइस?
no, sir. It is little bit disturbing.
ओके आशुतोष, प्लीज ज्वाइन फ्रॉम अनदर इक्विपमेंट।
ओके सर। ओके।
यस प्रीति,
Good morning, sir.
गुड
Sir,
मॉर्निंग।
today is my first class, sir. Like live. So I don't know what is concept book and practical book. Like you are saying
Please
in.
watch previous recorded lectures. You will understand everything.
Okay.
Try to
So
complete all previous recorded 4 5 lectures, so it will help you out. And try to recover complete it within these 2 days. Now, please, other subjects you can do it later, but first you should not have any backlog.
sure, sir. I have listened your May to 2026 lectures, sir. Like 4 5 starting 4 5 lectures.
Okay, then in that also I already mentioned.
Ah,
Concept book is for your day-to-day important notes, and illustration book is second book that you have to write it in the fair, all illustrations. So two books you have to maintain.
okay. Sir, one more request, sir. Can I get WhatsApp link?
I don't know exactly whether they formed the WhatsApp group or not. Ajit sir, are you there? I think Ajit sir is not. अच्छा,
यस
हाँ
सर।
सर, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है या नहीं है इनका?
सर टेलीग्राम का लिंक भेज रहा हूँ।
टेलीग्राम का लिंक है। प्रीति जी, टेलीग्राम लिंक इज देयर?
Thank you so much, sir.
यस
Thank
यस
you.
यस, ओके। संदीप्ति, Sandipti, Mohammed.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Sandipti.
Sir, this is Sandipti. Sir, I just want to know one doubt. We have so many calculations with multiple numbers, like 5 digits numbers also. No? Do we have permission to carry calculators to exam?
Yes, this is the first day I already told you which calci you have to carry. On very first day, I already have shown you this type of calci you will require.
Okay, sir.
This is your first lecture, what?
No, sir, I missed that first lecture.
No, calci is mandatory. Without calci, one cannot become CA.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem. You are foundation student, Sandipti, or direct entry?
Direct entry, sir.
Okay. And in post graduation, you never use calci?
Sir, I'm a medical student.
Okay, okay, okay. So are you able to understand this accrual versus cash concept?
Yes, sir. Actually, I did my MBA in finance, but that was not that clear what I'm going through.
Okay, but now you are getting the concept of accrual
Yes, sir.
and cash concept easy.
A little bit
Have you
difficult.
completed your basic journal entries?
Yes, sir, I did them.
Expense payable, can you tell me the entry?
Sir?
Expense payable.
Sir, can I tell you that tomorrow?
But I want answer on Wednesday.
Okay, sir.
If you answer it in the class, then only you boost your confidence. Huh?
Okay,
Otherwise,
sir.
it won't happen. If you listen it only from one side, there must be some reciprocal communication.
Okay, sir. I'll do it on the Wednesday, sir.
So you try to answer. If you are getting wrong answer, doesn't matter. I will help you out.
Okay, sir.
But if you never answer in the class, you will never get the concept thoroughly.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And don't be overconfident कि I will do that. You will never do that.
Good
Yes,
morning, sir.
Mohammed. हाँ जी, बोले बेटा, जश.
Yes, sir. Sir, good morning. सर एक्चुअली मुझे इतना पूछना था जो अभी हमने कैश फ्लो में फॉर्मेट बनाया था डेटर्स का उसमें सर मुझे इतना थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था कि हमने कैश को माइनस में नेगेटिव
आप
टाइप
हेडफोन निकाल दीजिए ना, हेडफोन निकाल दीजिए. आई कैन नॉट.
हेलो
हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ सर जो अभी हमने जो डेबिट डेटर का जो हमने फॉर्मेट बनाया था तो उसमें हमने सेल्स को डेबिट में लिया था और कैश को नेगेटिव मतलब क्रेडिट साइड लिया था.
हाँ.
तो मतलब कैश तो हमें रिसीव होता है ना लेटर से.
अरे डेटर्स के डेबिट में लिखा था, सेल्स के डेबिट में नहीं लिखा था. सेल्स को क्रेडिट ही किया था, डेटर्स को डेबिट दिया था, इसलिए डेटर के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लिखा ना.
अच्छा हाँ वही कंफ्यूज हो रहा
सेल्स
था.
अकाउंट को थोड़ी हमने बनाया, हमने डेटर्स अकाउंट बनाया है.
ओके
अंडरस्टूड.
हाँ सर मैंने क्या सेल्स डेबिट में लिख दिया था
नहीं नहीं, सेल्स डेबिट नहीं कर रहे हम लोग, डेटर्स को डेबिट दे रहे हैं और सेल्स को सिर्फ पर्टिकुलर्स में लिख रहे हैं.
ओके सर.
हाँ
और सर मुझे लास्ट चैप्टर्स में भी कुछ क्वेरीज थी तो हम बाद में लेंगे.
यस यस यस.
ओके सर.
Hi, good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Sir, so my question is like in TYQ 9 there is a dividend payable. So जो लास्ट ईयर का अमाउंट है सर उसका 1 लाख है और जो करंट ईयर का अमाउंट है वो 0 है. तो इसका अकाउंट बनाना जरूरी है क्योंकि ये तो डायरेक्ट पता चल रहा है कि कैश का आउटफ्लो हुआ है यहाँ पर.
अकाउंट बनाया तो ज्यादा अच्छा होता है. डिविडेंड का, इनकम टैक्स का, ये दो अकाउंट मैंडेटरी में बना लो. दैट विल बी मोर इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्रूअल एंड कैश.
ओके सर.
नहीं बनाया तो भी चलेगा, बट ज्यादा क्लैरिटी तब भी आएगा जब आप अकाउंट बनाओगे.
ओके सर.
यस. मैं 2 मिनट के लिए सोच रहा था कि हरिप्रिया का आवाज ऐसे क्यों आ रहा है. यस हरिप्रिया.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Sir, I want to ask you that you have told about accumulated depreciation account and asset account, but I have got a doubt that when we would open asset disposal account.
Asset disposal account is also easy to know the difference between profit or loss on sale of asset. Haripriya. So if you open asset disposal account, you can easily calculate profit or loss on sale of asset. But now at intermediate level, if you are clear with the concept of profit or loss on sale of asset, you don't have to open asset disposal separately.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So that account is open only to know when you are adding it or scrapping your asset. In that case, how to calculate profit or loss. So this will give you clarity only if you sold the asset.
Okay, sir.
But if you are doing all calculations in asset account, so there is no need to prepare asset disposal separately.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Are
you.
you foundation student, direct entry student?
A foundation student, sir.
In foundation, we already opened that account, asset disposal.
Oh.
Okay. In depreciation chapter. But if you are directly calculating profit or loss, have you attended my lecture of depreciation?
No, sir.
Why?
Today I'm joining, sir. Actually, I have attempted for a group tour. So from today
And how you
onwards,
come
I'm
to know
joining.
about this? Then why you decided?
Actually, last year I have saw some YouTube classes, sir, of yours.
Okay, and you experienced
So I
it's good.
thought to join live, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem, Haripriya. This will help you out. But this logic, if you are clear in the foundation, then I think this you already know why asset disposal account is open. So, but it's okay. Now you understood the logic?
Yes, sir, I have understood.
Very good, beta. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Bhavani.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Eco, Bhavani.
Hello,
Yes, Minu.
sir.
हाँ मीनू.
सर लेट्स सपोज कि जो डिविडेंड अकाउंट है उसमें we have given to payable 1 lakh and by payable 1 lakh. Okay. Sorry, sir.
तो टू कैश आपका यूट्यूब बंद कर दीजिए ना आप थोड़ी देर के लिए.
सर यूट्यूब नहीं खुला है बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से दैट सपोज
बाय पेबल
इंडिविजुअली
भी 1 लाख है और टू पेबल भी
हाँ
1 लाख है, तो अपने को लास्ट ईयर का टू कैश में लिखना है फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में, और 1
लास्ट
लाख
ईयर
रुपए बाय पी
का
एंड एल में 1 लाख लिखना है. वो पी एंड एल में से एड बैक हो जाएगा.
ओके सर फिर वो वहाँ पे फाइनेंसिंग में जाएगा राइट.
हाँ, 1 लाख पी
फाइनेंसिंग में
एंड एल में
माइनस
ऐड
होगा.
होके. हाँ जी. यदि आप रिटेन
ओके
अर्निंग से शुरू करते हो, यदि आप नेट प्रॉफिट से शुरू करते हो, तो क्या करना है वो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में बताएगा मैं.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
ओके, थैंक यू. यस भवानी. Now I think she's not audible. Bhavani, are you there? ठीक है. Chalo. So students, yes, I'm very happy that you understood the difference between cash flow statement and you asked me very beautiful questions. Some students are not clear with the logic. So accumulated depreciation, now she is also clear with logic. What is the accumulated depreciation? In next session, we are going to understand the illustration number. So challenge to you, TYK, I'm giving you some homework. Illustration 6, you can solve it. Illustration 6 is one of my favorite illustration. So in next lecture, we are going to start with the illustration number 6. So it's a request to all of you to start with the illustration 6 in the next session. Direct versus indirect. Try illustration 6 and we will finish it in the next session on Wednesday. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Yes. Good day.